This is Randy back in Botswana, the family. We're rolling out to go get some food because we're going to have a big cookout today. This is Africa. We're going to have a bonfire dinner and celebrate the arrival of Randy in Botswana. It's been so many years, yeah. I tell Tutu, there's Tutu right there, so I'm coming. Yeah. And this is call her Lou. She's the wife with the beautiful DJ name? DJ? JD.
Yeah.
And then the king, Q.
Wapne
Yeah,
star.
this is a journey of a West Indian GT.
Yeah, represent.
And he married an African beautiful queen.
And the son.
And the son.
Say hi,
JD. So you guys gonna experience the life of Q and the family.
Yeah, man.
So I teach them and make them run it from Botswana to the world.
Represent. We are on the way to the supermarket now. We are here with our brother Ron from Jamtown.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he came over here to check us. So we are taking care of the brethren. Yeah.
What we're gonna look to cook and thing?
Yeah, we can cook some cook-up rice and some mitai and some palauri and some, the West Indian stuff. Yeah, you can get the Auntie Gwen chicken foot and thing. You understand? And some dumpling and them thing though. You understand? We could even do a pepper pot fee, but we ain't got cars repenting here. So we can see what we can do. Yeah, you can get the sauce and the pigtail and them thing. Yeah, you know the thing. Yeah.
So you brought West Indies to Africa.
Yeah.
How much GT massive you say left here?
We got about a couple. Got the next king, Mr. Tom, up in the area there.
So I can get to come to the driving place and meet the fellas.
Yeah, definitely, you will.
So how do you like this GT man? He treats you good?
Oh, yes. So different from our guys here, but hey.
Word.
He's responsible. He does, he does all. Again, the one thing that I like him is that he doesn't say no. I'm like our Botswana guys say they are so cultured. They'll tell you that the wife has to cook, the wife has to clean, the wife has to remain with the baby, the wife has to do this. All the house chores is for the wife. But at least now, hey, I can go out and leave him with a kid. I know I can sleep. Then he does the household chores, all of them, including
So
cooking.
what you say? The king is a helper too? Is a helper
he's
king?
good,
I just even wash panty.
Whoa!
Don't put it.
That is live, man. Everything is reality show. So right now we're driving through, and the people is so peaceful in Botswana and smiling. How you doing today? How you doing? They got you. Welcome to the show of Botswana. I want you guys to subscribe to their channel. Yaku, respect later. All right. So that's gonna be one show with Yaku.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna have Q show with the family.
Yeah.
So what's the name of your show? What do you make up a name now?
I ain't get a nice jivey name as yet, I still
Alright,
thinking.
take your time.
Yeah, still thinking.
Because this is season 1 you're shooting.
Yeah,
right?
this thing gonna be never ending.
Oh,
This
never.
gonna be bigger than the Kardashian, okay? Get it from me. Word. Yeah, trust me upon that one. This gonna be bigger than the Kardashians.
Seatbelt, everybody. So now right now we're in Botswana.
Yeah.
The other day I saw people playing pool on the side
Yeah,
of
they're
the
still
street.
playing. Look, they're still jumping.
Slow down, my big man.
Yeah,
Look at that. They're playing pool on the side of the street. These people supposed to be working. These people playing pool.
this time of the day.
I can't believe it.
Yeah,
So this is the vibe.
yeah.
We're going price thing in the supermarket,
Yes,
and
yes.
show the people over the world.
I get you.
Great
Dumplings
life.
a bit cheap over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Tutu, what's the deal? How you fit into the family?
Actually, Q is married to my sister.
Yeah.
She's my sister. I come first. She's the last born.
Oh.
It's me, then her. There are two before me. We are not here, but we'll be meeting them later on today. So 4 girls. And this is the son to Kwame and Lila.
So it's
Yes,
a royal
my son
family.
is not here. So we'll be meeting him later on.
Royal family, huh?
Yes.
Wow. Wow, that is so cool. And your perception of America is? What do you guys think about America?
Well, I don't know much about America, but it's one place that I would love to visit someday. Yes.
Q, you've been to America?
In my dreams, yeah.
Oh. But you have family there.
I got all my families over
All
there.
the aunts, like
All my aunts and
9
uncles of them, they're over there.
Did I record you when you were talking about you not going home? Did we do the recording that night when I pulled?
No, you didn't.
What happened? What interrupted us?
I didn't. What I was actually saying, if I'm supposed to go to the States, I will only be going to visit, not to stay. Because I got some aunts in the States. They stay in Brooklyn there, Brooklyn, New York. Whenever I call them on the video chat, I normally find a bunch of them heap up in one house. So me leaving my king size bed over here, because I sleep on a king size bed as a master man. I sleep on a king size bed, represent. And I'm not giving up my king size bed to go squeeze a low bunk bed in the States. States is not bed of roses as we think, okay?
Yeah.
That's the wrong perspective of the States. Yeah, States is a bit harder. Okay?
But here, it seemed like I came here and I saw that you live in a real king life.
Yeah, definitely. I am a king, by the way. No, I'm a prince.
You're a prince?
Yeah, the king is home. My dad is a king home, yeah.
Okay. So now Botswana for you, 19 years?
Yeah, I got 19 years up in here representing.
Wow.
Yeah, my mom was here teaching. She taught for 13 years, then she left, and I remained. Yeah, I got my small business, I got my small family here. As you can see, you saw my place and all of that.
Yeah, man, nice place.
Nice place, it's spacious.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. No, you are welcome anytime. Even if you want to stay, you are.
Thanks so much, man. I appreciate it because.
So, I'm not gonna give up my luxury here. This is my states. Yeah. Botswana is my states.
Yeah.
If I left in Botswana, I'm going straight to yard.
Straight to yard, back to GT.
Yeah, these are just
slow down with the kids them, slow down Q. So the kids them are just in uniforms.
Yeah, they have just left school.
Oh, look at them, they're just chilling.
From junior school.
And they're just relaxing, huh?
Yeah.
They're really smart kids. Are the schools here pretty good?
Yeah, the government schools, some of the government schools here, they are pretty productive. Yeah, depends on the kids also, but we have a few productive.
Now, people don't know much about Botswana, and I know Botswana is about peace and racial equality, right?
Yeah, balanced racial equality.
Yeah, so that's, I know Tylo could touch, Tutu can touch more about the peace, because you always talk about Botswana is so peaceful.
Yes, Botswana is one of those peaceful countries whereby you can actually walk,
Nobody can say
talk. Use your belongings everywhere you walk, not afraid that somebody will come and snatch or somebody will come and shoot you or stab you. You just walk freely. Even if you need help, you're lost, and then you just stop. Then you just stop and ask for directions. Somebody will just
instead of pointing, they will take you.
Instead of pointing or directing you to that particular place, they'll opt to help you and take you there. Free of charge.
Confirm.
So it's a little city.
Just a small complex.
And the population is 1.5 million?
Somewhere there, let's say 2 million downwards.
2 million?
And this city we have about 300,000 inhabitants. Yeah, it's not that much.
So you're a family man with your son, and you plan to have more children? Like 4 or 5?
Not a big, not a quarter of a baseball team, but at least least 2 more. At least 2 more.
Maybe you could start a whole court, a whole.
No, please, no. No, those are the olden days.
This film is gonna catch you playing baseball with your son when he's 14. Imagine you keep doing this film and people see you when he's 14. That'll be crazy. By that time.
No, this one will be a cricketer.
Cricketer?
Yeah. Slash athlete Usain Bolt. This is next Usain Bolt in the making.
Oh God.
Slash movie star.
But Q, you're not tall. I mean, how tall are you, Q?
I 5.
Did you play sports?
5'9". Yes, I'm a sportsman.
What sport was that? Cricket?
Active sportsman, yes. And I was an athlete home. I represented my what I can't say country, my region, like 5 consecutive times.
The refrigerator?
My
I'm
region.
just kidding. What sports were you playing?
You mean home?
What kind of sports did
Home, I was mostly active in cricket,
Yeah?
athletics, swimming, and cycling.
So let's get to the beautiful wife now. What is the deal with you? What is your thing?
No sports. Our sport is cooking.
Let her talk for herself, kid. You gotta let her talk. People will bite your head off if you don't. In America, if you don't let the woman talk.
You know, we are in community of property, so what I say, he has to say. Yeah.
So go ahead, Queen. Tell her your story. What is you about?
But here in Botswana, sports is not actually a thing. You know, we are not actually into sports. So yeah, we do them at school, but it's just for school participation. Then that's it. After school, there is nothing else that we do. So I don't do sports. Like I said, my talent, my passion, my everything is in the kitchen.
So we're gonna have to.
Cook up a
You're gonna have to film her cooking, bro.
Cook up a star.
Yes, man. So we're gonna have to open up a restaurant.
Now you're talking, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're going to open up little Jamaica with a side of Botswana.
Yeah.
Yeah? Tylo, what is your thing? What do you do, Tutu?
Field. Me and field are like so.
Best of friends.
Best. I'm not an indoor kind of person. No. I'm an outdoor kind of person. Sporty, very active. Outside activities, superb.
Yes.
And my other responsibility, my son. I have so much time to play with my son, and it keeps me so busy. And I enjoy it a lot. I enjoy it. We play, we run, we race together, and most of the people will be so surprised, like, oh, okay, how do you manage
Yes.
all this energy that you have with your son? I said, no,
We go to the
he's
shopping
actually
first,
he's
right?
my best friend.
That's where we can buy.
I'll say he's my best friend, and I
know,
enjoy
from there
his
we will
company
get
a
the-
lot.
And what's his name?
Okay, no, let's just
Palo?
go straight to fruit and-
No, here first. For
Clotso?
But is it not the same thing, baby? This one we can just
Asante.
Palo Closo Asante.
Yeah.
Yes.
Palo clothes.
Asante is a language from, it's a Swahili language. From Tanzania, they speak Swahili.
This is a
and
small traffic
Zambia.
here. Not
You're
continue.
interrupting, man.
Oh, sorry.
Jeez.
I was just showing a
And-
small traffic.
And Zambia, they also speak Swahili. Okay, so Asante means thank you in short.
Okay.
Yes.
So now let's get to the specifics. You ride a motorcycle, you drive trucks. Come on now.
Yes. I'm pretty much brave, I would say. Very brave and fierce. I'm a big challenger. Where most
Well, you look
ladies
like she's
don't
taking
go.
over your show. Q don't like how you taking over your show, you know.
I is the king, so I don't know why she's squeezing herself.
Right? I'm like,
I am the main star of this show,
But then
and
I-
she's
just like,
squeezing herself in my show, so I don't understand.
It's like me, you know,
I don't understand.
I like to drink sugar in the morning with my mint
understand.
tea. I was like, wait a minute, when did you, Tutu, get a show?
I don't understand.
I'm
I don't
squeezing
understand who is even
myself
giving
in.
her coverage on my show.
I'm squeezing myself in.
So tell us when you started riding motorcycle.
It was just an inspiration since I was young. It was one of those things that I wanted to try out, like driving a truck and riding a motorcycle. What else? Yeah, those are the,
Are you licensed to drive a truck?
not as yet, but
Oh.
I'm getting there.
So there's a lot of illegal activity in this
No,
area.
I haven't driven like for a far distance whereby it's
Is it your
illegal.
father's truck?
Yes.
Okay, we blame the
Yes.
father for illegal activities.
No.
So
I haven't driven
how-
outside.
How far did you ride your motorcycle? Have you ever rode in hours? We're just speaking hours, not in kilometers. How many hours have you ridden your motorcycle?
Hours, I would say 5-6 hours.
With your gang, you have a gang, right?
Yes, but
How
they're
many
in South
bikers in your
Africa.
gang?
They're in South Africa, more than 200, 500.
Whoa!
More than 200,
It's a club,
500.
actually.
So wait a minute. You could just call them up and say, I'm coming, and they just put me in the gang?
Yes,
But I have to learn how to ride first.
But you need to learn how to.
Yeah. I can't bring my bicycle, right?
Yeah, no.
It wouldn't be a good look.
Only Harley Davidsons and the
Wow.
big outright.
Wow, that's a big crew, man.
Yeah.
So did you say something's wrong with your bike, right?
It's a clap.
I had to take it out because Mommy was not approving of it anymore.
Whoa, but how old are you again?
Because of some few injuries.
Oh, you got some injuries.
Yes, I almost lost my leg because I got burned by the exhaust and it went beyond.
Okay.
So yeah.
So mommy's still mommy.
That was the last time I actually rode the bike.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Q.
What
So when you come home, what
you
do
mean
you
from work?
Yes, I.
Yeah.
What do you do for fun other than look at your beautiful wife?
What I do for fun? We can take a drive out, or for fun actually it will just be to watch the TV.
Oh, we sit and touch and sit.
Whoa, stop! What's that they're pouring over there like curry chicken?
Curry beef.
Curry beef.
Yes.
Oh, I like that little. Oh, I'm sorry, I interrupted you. I saw
This
food.
is just
Street vendors. This is what I wanted to eat, man.
Street
Really?
vendors.
Yes, man. Look at these, man. Yes, man. Look at him eating more than me.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
We'll get some.
So now, what do we expect from your show, Q Star?
The star of the day.
No, you'll expect a lot of drama,
Fun,
a lot of fun,
entertainment.
a lot of entertainment, a bit of romance here and there. This is X-rated, eh? Age limit 18 and above.
Where are we now? This is
One of the fruit complex, fruit supermarket.
fruit supermarket.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Fruit
get
and veg.
fruits and veg here.
Yeah,
And
you
then
can get
And then we're gonna go to the regular supermarket.
Yes, where you can
Super.
get some
And we're gonna
meat
film it too.
Exactly.
If you see a carrot, I want to know how much you paid for it. Okay, buddy?
Oh, I got you. I got you covered.
That's just how we
Let
live.
me just remove those trolleys.
I got
Oh
you covered.
yeah, man.
Let me go get the trolleys.
Hey, Lord. Lord have
It's
mercy.
really,
So we're always on. It's called Q No Edit, straight and live from
yeah,
Botswana, uncut.
Yeah, uncut.
You
Raw
know,
and uncut.
raw and uncut.
Yeah, that's the way they like
If
it.
we see it, we film it.
That is the way it is.
Strong Botswana people. Now this country is just amazingly peaceful.
Exactly. It's unbelievable.
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 The baby's cool.
Yeah, he's alright.
Unbelievable.
See Tylo, she likes to do delivery.
Yeah.
You call her Tutu.
That's
Tutu
the
is a
That's what she
nickname.
likes.
It's a nickname.
I notice the people eat a lot of meat here. The women are thick around the waist.
Yes, of course.
A lot of beef, right?
Yes.
You're gonna have to help them to cut back. We gotta get more Comboi's veggie store.
That
you know?
is it. That is a sign of
Because you know they get sick, right?
Yes, of course.
A lot of high blood pressure, right?
Of course.
We gotta help them out. All right, we're gonna get into the food store. Ryan will come back.
Peace out. Peace
Q
out.
uncut
Q representing.
Botswana.
Peace out. Q uncut. Peace out.
Give thanks.
No, well, I'll get the next one.
Yeah, man. This is Q.
Look, look. Say bye. Say bye. Look there, look. Look. Here, psst, psst. Here, psst, 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 psst. Here, psst, psst. Say bye.
See that? Always hug someone and just walk.
I love this one. I'm gonna be using you, buddy.
That's a smart one.
Yeah, my partner in
But
crime.
no, he's the star, so you gotta
I'm
find
the
someone.
producer. I'm the star.
Look
So
here, you
have
better
to
be
shooting
careful.
me.
You have to be careful because you know you're gonna need me.
So, would you need any spice?
No, you know, guys know what you're doing.
No, but we said we're gonna do a mix of.
Today
Oh,
we're doing a
I
mix.
need curry chicken Q. You gotta sneeze in your hands like this.
Okay, thank you, sir.
In your elbow.
This is how
Today
we
it's a
do it.
mix
Don't
of
ever
everything.
wipe your face, because then you're gonna touch somebody.
Okay, I forgot.
Use
I'm
this
the
to wipe
producer.
your face.
Okay.
Yes. So I need curry powder, right? Sorry.
Yes.
I need curry powder.
But not too chili. Yeah, these are some of the spices you can look at.
Oh, these are curry?
Spices, Indian spices mostly.
Wow, this supermarket is so nice. This place is so nice. Oh, look at this. It's so nice and clean and well laid out. Yo, cute. It's so nice and laid out. You got the cornmeal with the coloring. Yo, Q, you must go in the supermarket when you're doing your show now. Q, this is so nicely laid out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You got so much spices.
Yeah.
Chapati.
What's that?
Chapati is like dried bread.
Yo, I love this store, man.
Oh, yeah?
I love it. Look how much spices you. These are all spices?
Right.
Wow, you got your peppers for your beef, right?
Yeah.
And what is this here?
This is like what, cinnamon?
Cinnamon?
Yeah, this is
What
cinnamon.
is here?
This is like jeera.
And you got your pepper and they're cheap. All right, man, this will drive me crazy. I'm gonna have to come live here. Whoa! All right, let's do it. We're
You
gonna.
got the spices with you.
Yeah, I'm still thinking.
So we got the curry chicken. We got the. Got me excited about cooking now. You got the curry powder.
Turmeric, huh? Do you need this, huh? Turmeric for rice.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm
for
not-
rice.
Well,
I'm not a big
call
fan of
your
cooking.
sister
Yeah, I'm
if
a
you
big
need to
fan of
know
eating.
what you
I'm
need.
not a
Yes,
big
we
fan
need
of
this
cooking.
for
I'm a big
rice.
fan of
for rice.
Yeah.
So where's the my curry powder?
No, I think it's around that side.
Curry powder.
Is that curry? Anything from Jamaica?
Oh man.
Oh. Wow. You guys are living the dream. So Q, who owns this restaurant? I mean, who owns it?
It's an Indian. It's an Indian, of course. What about do you like chili things?
Chili thing?
Chili like hot a bit?
Yeah, man. Anything you guys want to mix
No,
it
we
up.
don't actually. Me, I'm a sportsman. I don't much.
Are we
Is it
gonna?
okay for you?
Yum, everything is good for me. I'm just gonna cook curry for you guys.
Are we getting fish today?
Can you get the
Sure.
curry powder? Fish too. Can you look at that?
Tomorrow, not by
We can buy
brine
it
it,
and
not brine
we
it.
can see what to do.
Yeah, because the breast then is there. I need to know how to get that.
Yeah, can you look for curry powder something?
Jerry, say hi to her. You're a superstar. Wave to the camera. Why you always pout up like that, boy? Sorry? Come to me.
Yes, you guys have everything. You got your sunshine. Oh, you got your coconut milk to go into rice. You put that in rice.
There's a shop which sells cheaper coconut milk. Like
Oh,
this one,
okay.
Which we'll be going to now to get some of the.
Oh,
meat
you
and
mean
all
the
of that.
the supermarket
the
stuff?
supermarket. The supermarket shop.
Oh, okay. What is this here? This is what's this here? Got a neat planted fufu. What is this? It's like
This
a
look like
porridge.
plantain,
Is it like a
porridge.
dust? Like a
It should
it's
be,
grind up?
instant, yeah. Plantain fufu. It's a plantain dust.
Oh. The other fufu stuff is what? Cornmeal?
Here,
The one that you made this morning.
it's the porridge is on sorghum.
Oh, these guys, this is Botswana. They are
This is
well
China, you know it?
organized. Look at it. Look at this. Seems like somebody literally synchronized this thing here.
Uniform.
Yeah, it's uniform. I'm paying attention to the
Do you
detail.
know this one, China? Do you know China?
Yes.
You know
yes.
it?
Yeah, I know China.
Yes, it's very nice. This one.
You guys gonna get some?
You will like some.
I mean,
no
I'm
problem.
trying to. We have like 13 days, guys. Might want to get to it, and then we want some peas, right?
Yeah,
That's why you might want to call your sister so she can get a list of stuff for 10 days worth of cooking.
Yeah, this the one is China.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this, huh?
It's pink manjou lentils.
Oh, okay, they color it.
Yeah.
And a lot of this stuff is Indians, right?
Most of them, yeah.
Oh,
Most of
nice.
this stuff.
So you guys eat? You guys don't make these? Oh, this is nice. What's here?
Oh, these are the yellow beans, oiled down.
I couldn't know how to fry peanuts.
You don't know.
Yes. Yeah. No, I know.
I know how to fry peanuts.
To some drive, push him from the side.
Once it's hard up to do it.
Black eyed peas, they are not here, so
We
we'll
can
have
fry
to-
them with that pan of yours.
Yeah. So we need to go to
Even
those-
papata. Is it big enough to make papata?
No, it's the same
Just-
size like that.
He doesn't want me to touch the trolley. Oi, 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 oi. 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 Aha.
You sure want to get rice, you know. We're going to be eating.
Coconut milk.
Get whatever you want. I just
How
don't
much is it
I
in
just
the
don't want to
States?
starve in the days.
No, you will not.
Coconut milk.
How much is basmati in the States?
How much is that?
This one is like 100.
$11, right?
$11.
I haven't really bought it. You know, I want brown rice is what we
This one, we only eat basmati.
yeah.
At our house.
Oh, did you see that pan I was showing you? It bakes this
Okay.
dry bread.
Ah,
Check if fresh super white. You see?
yeah.
Yeah.
Supreme.
Right.
We got
This is all the rice.
yeah, man.
Everything is well arranged.
Mhm.
We need coconut milk.
You will get that.
Oh, cream. Yeah.
This one, do you know it? It's called gluten or soya chunk.
Soya.
I
chunk.
just add water to it.
It's a vegetarian.
I really want to call the queen and just to have her give us some ideas
Okay, no problem. We can do it.
on speaker.
Most of the things that we do is
I
the
know.
guided
I just
stuff.
want to call her. I feel
Yeah.
she'll add more value.
Okay, no, it's a team, eh?
It's a team effort,
Yeah.
right? Yeah,
Yeah,
super.
you can buy them.
Okay, we have time here.
Yeah.
We time leaf.
Wow, that's all that time,
Smell it. Yeah, nice right.
bro.
time
That's a
leaf.
lot of time, bro.
It's too
That
much.
lasts for a whole year.
It means it's small, but they don't have to.
But so get it, man.
They don't have to.
I'm just
It's
saying,
not a product, right?
don't short. You know,
division.
I'm here to be
Masala.
impressed by you guys cooking.
This is time. This one
Get
is
it,
cracker
man.
than chicken.
Yeah.
Then it
Yeah,
comes
man.
out.
It
Then
gives
it
that,
gives
that,
that,
that
aroma.
aroma, the aroma and
When
the
you are-
taste.
when
But
it's
you don't have
about
to
to
do it.
finish,
Yeah.
when it's about to
You
finish,
just
chicken,
sprinkle
you
it on
sprinkle
top,
it.
then
A lot
you
of, just a little.
Just a
just a little to bring the aroma and then because the taste is big also.
So it's a Botswana product.
Are you
No,
sure?
no, no.
Yeah.
But look,
No, they pack it in Botswana.
Or they packet it in Botswana. Oh, okay.
I was shocked.
Yeah, we caught all that on tape, by the way.
Yeah.
Do you have one of these?
Yes.
And what? This is for the bread, the stuff that you
Yeah.
make.
I do use it for chapati.
I
Awesome.
think it can also make a nice pancake.
Yeah, nice pancake as well. But I have the pen as well for pancake.
For pancake.
Yeah.
Oh! Salted.
Now, how did you get inspired to do your locks? You're not Rastas. How did that happen? Did
That's
you?
just fashion.
Your mother?
Actually, yeah, I loved dreadlocks, but I was not into dreadlocks. But he's the one who wanted me to do dreadlocks.
Yeah.
So I had to do it for him.
Oh, you did it for your husband?
Yeah.
I guess you really love this guy.
Oh, he's my number one, my superstar.
Gotta be some number twos around there.
Him, babe.
No chance.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do to make your partner happy. Hey?
That's good. That's good.
Because it's not good also to do your hair. Then when you go home, you get into the house, you expect your husband to say, "Yo, you look nice." Then he says,
Oh,
"You
yeah.
went, you did your hair." Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Do you know Aji?
No.
you know Aji?
No, I don't know Aji.
It's like
Yeah.
that thing.
Where is he from?
Aji. It's
Where is he from?
Aji.
This.
Oh,
is
it's a
from-
product.
Yeah.
Okay. He's slow. Cute,
You know
slow.
it.
I don't know Aji. It's like seasoned
You know-
salt.
No, it's like
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
seasoned
seasoned salt.
Ah,
You
yeah,
put it-
man.
Very
Yeah,
good.
man. Yeah,
You
man.
put it in the cooker
You put it on the
rice.
chicken,
It has that
right?
that
You season the
little
chicken with it, right?
creamy, that creamy taste.
Yeah, man.
Cocoa
Yeah.
price is special.
Yeah,
So
it
get all the
can
seasons you
get
want.
it gets into cooker
You won't
rice.
forget some of the pimento seed too, you know.
This one?
Pimento seed. You know pimento seed? You see like this, right? You see this right here? What's this called?
This is clove?
This is clove.
This is
You guys
clove.
have clove in your house?
Yeah.
can you, Tylo, can you call the queen, please? Black pepper. Oh, you guys don't have black pepper, right? Do you have a black pepper?
We have the packet.
Okay. And look at this. This you would cook in your...
This you can put in the thing to steam it down. To steam down here.
Put in some
Yeah,
of the curry,
and all
in a
that.
curry chicken too?
Yeah, but we have the powder.
We have the powder, but this...
Because we don't need it.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Those
For
wouldn't enjoy
the
it.
baby, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go around that side.
All right. Well, I'm producing you guys' first show. After this, you're on your own.
Thank you. Yeah. We learn from the best.
I think maybe she's attending.
She don't want, you don't want us to talk to her.
I think maybe she's busy.
Just text her, tell her we're shopping. We'd like her input. Let's get some biscuits. We could get these in the other supermarket. This place is just amazingly clean. Well,
Garlic powder is there.
You took it already. Are you sure?
Has to be.
Tutu. Tutu.
mango. Oh, they got some pickle over here. Q. They have some pickle over here.
Yes, yes, of course.
Whoa! And then after you cook, how you use these? How do you use this?
This one you can use it as a serving after you finish cooking on the food.
Yeah.
Yeah, you put it on the food.
On the food, warm
Yes,
it.
like- no, you don't have to warm it actually.
Oh wow!
Yeah, you just.
Can we
eat
try
it.
one? It's like in Trinidad, them have a sugar mango thing.
Mango, yeah.
The green mango with
And shamrock.
yeah.
You know shamrock,
Yeah.
five finger.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, this is mango prickle. This one you like it?
Yeah, we'll try that.
Lime prickle, hot mango prickle.
Get another
This
one.
is which one? No,
We only live once,
You can try out the.
right?
You can try out the mango prickle.
JD, we only live
Because
once,
most of
right?
these ones you're gonna be the one eating it.
Me?
Yeah. Because this, I don't like too much of chili stuff, hot stuff.
You don't like spice?
Too much of it.
Okay, sir.
I like it, but not too much of it.
All right.
These are the ones.
These ones are just Indian stuff. The most important thing is we got them. So these ones will just wait.
You okay,
Then
Tutu?
we need flour.
You gotta get back to work?
No.
You took the day
Far
off?
from it.
You took the time off?
Yes.
You took the rest of the day off?
Not really.
Not
But she's
really.
still on. She's
And
still
they
on.
see you on YouTube. They're like, yeah, we got you.
Ah, no. We are closed for the afternoon. We'll
Oh,
be
that's-
back later on today.
Why is that? Why were you closed?
The Muslims say they go to church from 12 o'clock until...
Oh, we picked the best day.
Yeah. They go to
Awesomeness.
church.
Yeah, man.
So it happens every Friday. we close.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Superb.
You can't get in there with you.
Yeah, so
Ronnie, let's get in there, me and you alone, because it's a bit cold in there.
Okay.
Let's sit in there and check our fruit.
Oh, yeah, man. Fruit. Yes, yes, yes. Pineapples. Oh, bless you. See, you gotta get the elbow in there. Get the elbow in
I
there.
gotta get the elbow.
Elbow in there.
What do you need? Some brains and big boy?
Yeah, man. Set it up. Make we do it. We live once, you know. We don't. We gotta. I gotta go get the. We gotta get a cart or something.
Alright, I'll bring it inside.
I want to get a hope of fruits. These strawberries are little. Oh, they're so cute. One thing, it seems like fruit's very expensive here. Fruit's expensive here. $2 per pound. These beets by the bag. Why you bring JD?
He crying. He crying.
You get the grapes?
Yes, I got him.
What is this, guava?
Let me see.
You kidding me,
Look, so it's
man?
guava, right?
Yeah, man. Boy, let's get some guava. You love guava?
But we had the guava. But check this one here. These ones look a bit rotten.
Okay. And they're $1. Yo, I've never seen guava so cheap. We pay $5 for.
You make juice.
Yo, man.
Yeah, you wash them.
Yo, guava are something I'm loving on my lord.
Avocado, you didn't get him?
Yeah, man. Get the thing,
You
man.
see it?
Avocado?
Uh-huh.
What you mean, man?
In the morning.
I eat fruits in a bread. You only live once.
Wait,
you
it's
know.
grapefruit? It's like what?
It's like it's a melon.
Oh, it's like a melon.
And get that's the bananas, right?
Oh,
hey.
banana we can get at the next.
Another store.
Yes. And we okras and
Check this out here. What's that? That's a pomegranate.
Pomegranate, yeah.
It's nice. That's one. That's great. So you got plums?
I think this is
Are you
plum.
kidding me?
I think this is plum.
This is plums,
This
bro.
is like a wild berry something. Let me see. No, man, this is not plums. Plums is not like this.
So I'm gonna try it anyway. Man, I wish the queen was here, man. I really wish the queen was here, bro. Gotta get some onions, right?
So making you sure you're gonna make it?
Yeah, man, it's nice stopping at the chicken, man. You have garlic?
Yeah, we got the garlic powder. Yeah.
Gotta have garlic, man.
Okay, the garlic is here.
Oh, you have ginger?
No, we'll get that at another shop.
Okay.
Yeah. That other. Let me see. Yeah.
So this way, come and put carrot and put it on my curry chicken, you know, and turnip, you know. And then another time we get some more stuff, get the pumpkin soup, yeah? Yo, you have okra?
How much is it? It's the same price. Let me get some fresh one. You can get like 4 or 5 packets.
Yeah.
Gaza is a man that's last enough.
You lash enough okra. Guys, in America, the okra here is $1.04. This is crazy. So we're gonna get a whole bunch of these. Botswana is like one of the greatest countries in the world to retire. So you might want to get with it and marry someone from Botswana. Some tomatoes. $1.40.
And we're gonna see how nice my wife can prepare it. Tutu, kai this something like that.
Tutu, what are you cooking? Do you have anything you're gonna be cooking?
Yes. Oh, today I'm cooking. I was cooking yesterday. I'll cook tomorrow. Tomorrow it's my turn.
We can get balanche also, right? You got cook with balanche with
Dude,
chicken.
do your thing, bro.
Right?
Tutu, take this one.
I'm gonna
Which
get
one?
my big chicken, you know.
No, chicken we'll get from that side.
I'm just saying, do what you're doing. I'm doing my chicken.
You cooking your chicken?
Yeah, I'm cooking my chicken.
Balanche.
So whatever you guys, hey, this is a cooking competition, you know.
It's a cooking.
Yes.
Okay, but then, okay, I'm making the fire.
This is yo. They sell beets by the whole bag.
Yeah, of course.
But you guys don't have a Vitamix. They sell beets by the bag. You're supposed to drink that every day.
What's that?
Your blood.
Beetroot.
If you're a man and you want your young to be younger,
Beetroot.
beet and put okra in there with little garlic and then some ginger. Your wife be like, "Whoa, please, ease up, big man, ease up."
You come and see yourself.
Beets right there,
Which one? Beets.
right here.
Where there's another juice.
Yeah, man. This is what gets you strong and clean you out.
I normally buy these and then make. There's 100% juice that they make. 100% only beets.
This is what. Do you guys have a blender?
Yes.
All right, we'll check one of this. Do you guys grow this here? You grow this here?
Yes.
No, but this we don't need a lot.
What? I'll make juice, man. Get me some garlic.
Okay.
Give me some garlic right there. Right there, garlic. So, this is what you drink every day. Watch after me. I'm gonna make a juice for you, man.
Okay.
Right? With some okra, some beets, and some ginger and garlic,
Oh, let me show you.
and some oats. Oh, you're gonna wish I never made that juice.
Let me show you the veggies.
So this is the natural one?
Yeah. It's 100%
100%
with
beetroot juice.
no sugar added, nothing.
Nothing?
At all. And then we have carrot as well. Yeah, this is 100% carrot. And then tomato.
Are you sure?
This is 100%, no sugar added.
All right, let's test them then.
You
We'll
want to
test it
this?
out. You can buy them. Let's test it out.
Okay.
Are you
Bits.
positive?
Bits. Oh, no, bits. Tomato and then
How much
carrot.
is one? 60 something?
It's
So get another set.
15.
Another set. Yeah, man. See? You put okra, peas. You have a blender, right?
Yeah.
And you blend it up raw. And then you strain it. And then
Because this one is yummy. The okra.
then you get coconut. Get me two
Coconut
coconuts.
Coconut will get into in the
And the other
store.
one? So why do we come to, you have to go to 2 stores?
Yeah.
So you get coconut. You see when you don't blend that top, time for your next baby. Time for your next baby, my girl. We need onions. We need onions. We need onions, right? Onions. All right, so you know when the queen comes at 5, we're gonna be missing something.
What?
I just know, but we're gonna have to come back another day. Because after I cook my curry chicken, and you guys fall over yourself, you're gonna have to up your game, right? Yeah. I'm a serious man, you know. Tutu. I'm there. Yo, you see, after I cook my curry chicken, I don't know fall over and say, all right, so I have my,
Just garlic enough.
yeah, man. I have the onion, my curry chicken, I have my thing, I have
But
my
some of
thing, I
the
have my thing.
ingredients are okay. We get them into this.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're good.
Coconut water.
Like coconut milk, balange.
So people who watching this film, you know, it's around to go crazy already. But Mr. Food, this place right here is so cheap in Botswana. It's so nice here. You guys have to come, Jamaicans. Look at this now. So this is this fufu cocoyam, right?
Cocoyam.
$7 for one pack of these. This is what you used to make porridge?
Yes.
Oh, nice. You guys know how to make this? Do you have this?
That's good.
Okay, so we can get the plantain and grate them now have the purchase. Them now have the plantain, right?
Fifi, what are you stealing there?
Wow, and that was a great shopping adventure.
We're done with the shopping. So far, so good. Careful. It got stuck.
So this is what our bill looks like. Where is the TV?
It's here. It's coming.
This is what our bill looks like.
Wow.
We have done a shopping for a family of 6 for a month, and we have only spent where's the total? I can't see the total.
Down there.
I can't see the total.
It has to be at the bottom.
No, you don't have an next invoice there.
Oh, it's here.
Yeah, we have spent a total of
$100.
$110
Yeah.
to be precise.
That's great.
$110 for a
entire
family
month?
of 6 for the entire month.
Wow, that's crazy. I normally spend like $300 for a family of 3.
Oh yeah, and you haven't gotten all of this.
For a family of...
Yeah, I mean, it's the okras at least.
This is the store.
This is me and Mr. Ron representing.
This is why
GC, Gaborone City.
I'm telling you, this is
all the way
this
from
is
all the way
Africa.
from New York.
This is Africa, guys, and
Yeah, I'm from New York. Yeah, I was there in my dreams. You got a problem with that?
Look behind you. There's something interesting. What does it say there? The rating there
What's
behind.
50?
Yes.
That's the bus
It
50
shows
logo.
that actually
Tell us a lot of, tell us something about this book.
What's 50? This is the 50th independence when Botswana was given independence back in 1966.
That was
So,
when?
1966. This
this
bus
was
50. This bus 50
yo,
was
let me
1
tell you,
year
my
ago.
friends in New York City,
Yeah.
this is natural from Africa. It's
Yeah.
$1.60,
Cent.
100% natural. The ingredient side is so small. You see that right there? And the best thing, this is one of the best countries in the world.
Don't
Botswana.
forget to say you had to come till to Africa to get 100% pure pineapple juice.
At this cost. We normally pay like
At this
$4,
cost.
$5 for this.
Oh yeah,
Brooklyn, New
so
York.
which means you're gonna drink as many as you can here.
That's what I'm trying to
Word,
do.
represent,
Trying to run,
represent,
drink, and live, you know? This is Africa. Wakanda forever. Cut. Yo.
Days or months here in Botswana is 90 days, which is
So you
3
get
months.
90 days to stay.
Per year, yeah,
Per year.
But you can extend it.
You can extend it.
Yes.
So for artists, this is the place to kind of be free and live at cost. The environment is really nice.
Exactly.
Then you could drive to Johannesburg in 4 hours.
Yes,
On the N2,
Yes,
it's
of course.
easy to do.
Yes, of course.
And then you could drive to Cape Town, which is 12 hours, which I plan to. And Victoria Falls is 12 hours.
Of
But you could centralize yourself in
Yeah.
Botswana because of the low crime rate, the cost of living, and everything. All right. This is
Yeah.
just my experience. This is just my
So
ideas.
far, yeah.
It's nothing baked in. But we're gonna keep doing the film for you around. Peace out. Cut. 1. Hello. We're talking about skin complexion.
Yes.
Tutu, what
Skin,
is it about
skin,
skin complexion
skin.
in Botswana? I noticed a
One
lot of the
thing-
ads are dark-skinned women. What's up with that?
One thing I love about my country, Botswana, is that we appreciate and value our dark skin. Our
is
natural,
beautiful always.
our natural skin. We're not impressed by this white skin or skin lightening or bleaching. We don't do that.
We stick to our
Nobody in our
original.
country do that. Okay.
Here and there.
Breast.
Wait. I saw 2 cows the other day doing some bleaching.
But
Nah. Here, no one has ever done what you call it, augmentation.
Whoa.
Which is yes, they have never
No,
done that.
we don't
They
do
have
that.
never done
And we don't have surgeons also to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Breast enlargement and what
Yeah.
and what and what
Boob jobs.
and boob jobs and buttocks jobs and augmentation and pigmentation and
I did
all
a
the
little-
temptation.
I did a little adjustment. Is that you guys are gonna be
That's a problem.
I did a
That's
little
a problem.
adjustment.
Yeah, that's a problem. That's your problem.
We're built like that. All
That
the
is your
things
problem.
that you see on TV,
Natural.
it's natural.
Natural.
It's so
Africa is natural, eh? Africa is so natural.
Not everywhere. In Cape Town, it's and
90%.
someplace in Ghana and Nigeria.
Let's say 90% of Africa is natural.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about
Let's
Botswana.
Let's just talk
about
about
Botswana
Botswana.
since we are here in
Yes,
Botswana.
it's going to be a competition with other countries
Yeah,
knowing that Botswana
95%.
does not bleach. Botswana no bow. Botswana no sell out.
95%. Okay, let me say 98% of Botswana is natural. Natural.
Wow, this is
But
so good to hear.
We have those people who are light skinned but naturally
Like Yaku.
light skinned, like Yaku.
And the
One of
empty.
the guys, yeah, they're naturally light skinned.
That's a mixture with the white and black.
And black.
Yes.
So
yeah,
bleach,
colours.
you guys don't bleach.
No.
You don't smoke a lot of marijuana.
No.
No.
You don't, the police doesn't have weapons.
No.
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 There's not a lot of guns here.
No.
Not a lot of violence.
My wife has
No.
never seen a gun in her life. Unless the one I have
Yeah.
at home. You put that on TV too?
Yes,
Yeah.
everything is going.
Unless the one I have at home.
So,
I have an air
so,
rifle.
so let's review this again. No bleaching,
No.
low
No
crime,
augmentation, no pregnancy.
no augmentation,
No.
no penis extension,
No.
no,
No.
No
butt
private
extension.
private
No.
parts
No.
exchange.
Exchange.
The
Like
street-
gays
Like
and lesbians.
design and
Whoa,
make it
easy,
human
easy,
human.
easy. Don't ever, gotta cut that out. All right, so now, right now, we have a clean street. I'm gonna go back on the road again. Police doesn't have guns.
No.
No.
The guy that guarding the bank doesn't have guns.
No.
The fresh fruit juice is $1.60 naturally.
Yes.
Yes.
The okra is $1.40 for a whole bunch.
Yes.
Food is very cheap. You could spend 90 cents for lunch.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. Like what we did yesterday.
Yes, we did that.
Yes.
Now, what are the dark sides to Botswana? What is it? Let's talk about some of the dark sides because we want to get this out. Maybe later. We'll talk about it
Yeah,
later.
later. We
All
can
right,
talk
so
about that later.
boom. These are the positives.
Yes.
And
The positive overweighs the dark.
now I see a lot of people holding hands,
That's just showing the love.
right?
Yeah. Two
And
men holding hands doesn't mean anything. They are just showing the love.
okay,
Yeah. They are just showing the love.
this is beautiful country here. Everything
This is the
clean.
main radio station, a TV station of Botswana.
And I haven't seen a beggar yet.
And you will never see one either.
Man, you just hardcore cut to the case. Boom.
Yeah, you will never see one unless I become one. No, you will never see a beggar.
You'll never see a beggar.
No, you will never see a beggar.
Choppies.
Choppies, this is the one of the main superstores in Botswana. One of the prominent, let me say.
Owned by
prominent.
Indians.
Yes.
So now 95% of Botswana is operated by black businesses,
Yes,
real
of
estate.
course,
What
yes.
other line of the business in Botswana?
Repeat yourself.
Real
I didn't get you.
estates, car, you know.
Okay, mostly here they are into farming, they are into construction, they are into what else? Transportation. Yeah, those are the main businesses.
Why are they sitting down having a good time? They shouldn't be working hard or something?
No, they are on lunch break.
How much time you get for your lunch break?
They get
An
about an
hour.
hour or so.
And they take the whole hour.
Yeah, they take the whole hour sleeping, doing nothing.
You
Yeah.
don't sit.
They
at
utilize that hour by sleeping.
you don't sit at your desk.
No, at your desk.
You
for
don't
what?
eat your lunch.
All
at your
these
desk?
ones here are on lunch break. Look at that. Look like what I said. They are.
Whoa,
all- they are
whoa, whoa! Slow
sleeping.
down, slow down. We gotta
They're
catch
sleeping.
that. Slow down, bro.
They are sleeping
Oh my
here.
gosh, this is what lunch break looks like.
Yes,
Okay.
they are sleeping. They are lazing around.
Oh.
Taking the rest.
Kiddies playground.
Okay.
When mommy and daddy goes for shopping,
This is where Pablo comes.
Pablo comes
I
and
normally
play here.
take Asa here every Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pablo's playground.
Wow, you know, Tylo was supposed to record all this so I wouldn't have to come and do it myself.
Well, since you are here,
You know, might as well,
they
right?
make him.
Jeez,
they make
I'm
use.
glad I came because
Yeah. Yeah.
I would have never seen this amazing
Yes.
country.
Correct.
And now I could share this with the world. World, thank me for spending all this money to show you for free this
Correct.
incredible world.
That's it.
And all this driving in the back-breaking pain on the plane.
That's it.
Oh man, I've traveled
Oh, yeah?
long distance. Yeah.
Yeah, but
18 hours.
it wasn't in vain.
It was worth it.
Yeah.
Coming here, my final stay, and I think I'm gonna drive to Victoria Falls.
Yeah.
Botswana gets the high points, and we're gonna write these bullets down to say what we're saying. Botswana is one of the best countries in the world.
Yes.
It's a chocolate city.
Sweet.
Peace
Peace
out.
out. Okay.
So I'm gonna play pool
Yeah.
at this
On a
time of
Friday
day.
afternoon,
Friday
yeah.
afternoon. What? It's still
Around
work
half
hours,
two.
right?
Yeah. That man just a joking
Mostly
pool.
you find out
So they
that
cover the pool table.
After they finish playing, yes, they do.
Wow. This is Africa.
This is the real Africa.
Mostly those guys are taxi drivers, so as they wait for customers,
They play pool.
Their pastime, yeah.
Okay.
Pushing time with that.
Oh, so this is Botswana.
This is a small cab service here.
Okay. Double chicken is $6. That's good. So we get 2 of those. Mechanics make a lot of money.
You're gonna exit the way we came in, okay? It's faster.
I feel barber shop that.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that's amazing, you know. This is what you call life. Innovation. This is America, you know, because America is free market.
How much you pay for a haircut in America? Normal haircut.
200 pula.
$20
Yes.
for a haircut?
200 pula.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
For your whole month.
Here you can cut. Here a haircut is $1.50. $1.50. Some $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, so practically with $20 you can get 10 cuts.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I have
And
to
I'm talking about a proper haircut.
get my hair cut and then fly it back
It's
out.
what, 2 weeks?
Yeah. A
2
proper
months.
haircut plus
Because you do
wash.
it every week, like
Mhm.
Plus wash, yes. Plus you wash your hair,
Wow.
you shampoo it and you dry it and you get it sprayed with your mentholated spirits and you apply a bit of Demetal and all of that and you are good to go. Bump those bump things and all of that.
Yeah.
You are good to go.
But I've been cutting my own hair for probably 10 years now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, that's the cheaper way. And it's more safe.
My haircut, my barber is a mirror.
Yeah. It's the one that communicates with you.
Watermelon, you see?
I still didn't get
Right
any
from the
watermelon yet.
These are the guys who repair tires.
And this is
Good
a
for
tire
about
shop.
$2.
Boom, in the making.
Yeah. No, it's a tire shop already made.
But I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
A full equipped tire shop.
yeah, they're gonna
And
do
there
some
under
more.
the tree, he's
So
making-
here's another teaching lesson for you, Tylo. When you're in the phone filming, another way when you're in front of the window filming someone, you scratch your nose.
Yeah.
Okay? It's another way. You scratch your nose.
These guys.
You know, because if you're doing a side view, capturing the view. Hello, we're talking about skin complexion.
Yes.
Tutu, what is
Skin,
this about
skin,
skin complexion in Botswana? I noticed a
One
lot of the
thing-
ads are dark-skinned women. What's up with that?
One thing I love about my country, Botswana, is that we appreciate and value our dark skin, our
It's beautiful
natural skin. We're not impressed by this white skin or skin lightening or bleaching. We don't do that.
We stick to our
Nobody in our
original.
country do that. Okay.
Here and there.
Breast
Wait. I saw 2 cows the other day doing some bleaching.
But
Nah. Here, no one has ever done what you call it, augmentation.
Whoa.
Which is yes, they have never
No,
done that.
we don't
They
do
have
that.
never done
and we don't have surgeons also to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Breast enlargement and what
Yeah.
and what and what
Boob jobs.
and boob jobs and buttocks jobs and augmentation and pigmentation and
I did a
all the
little-
temptation.
I did a little adjustment. Is that you guys are gonna be hating
That's a
me?
problem.
I did a
That's
little
a problem.
adjustment.
Yeah, that's a problem. That's your problem.
we're built like that. All
That
the
is your
things
problem.
that you see on TV,
Natural.
it's natural.
Natural.
It's so
Africa is natural, eh? Africa is so natural.
Not everywhere. In Cape Town, it's and
90%.
someplace
Yeah,
in
that's
Ghana and
90,
Nigeria.
let's say 90% of Africa is natural.
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about
Let's
Botswana.
Let's just
talk
talk
about
about
Botswana
Botswana.
since we are here in
Yeah,
Botswana.
it's gonna be a competition with other countries
Yeah.
knowing that Botswana
95%.
does not bleach. bleach. Botswana no bow. Botswana no sell out.
95%. Okay, let me say 98% of Botswana natural.
Wow, this is
But
so good to hear.
We have those people who are light skinned but naturally
Like Yaku.
light skinned, like Yaku.
And the
One of
empty.
the guys, yeah, they're naturally light skinned.
That's a mixture with white and black.
And black.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
bleach,
colored.
you guys don't bleach.
No.
You don't smoke a lot of marijuana.
No.
No.
You don't, the police doesn't have weapons.
No.
No.
There's not a lot of guns here.
No.
Not a lot of violence.
My wife has
No.
never seen a gun in her life. Unless the one I have
Yeah.
at home. You put that on TV too?
Yes, everything is going.
Unless the one I have at home.
So,
I have an air
so let's rifle this again. No bleaching,
No.
low
No
crime,
augmentation, no pigmentation.
no augmentation,
No.
no penis extension.
No.
All right, so now, right now, we have a clean street. I'm gonna go back on the road again. Police doesn't have guns.
No.
No.
The guy that guarding the bank doesn't have guns.
No.
The fresh fruit juice is $1.60 naturally.
Yes.
Yes.
The hooker is $1.40 for a whole bunch.
Yes.
Food is very cheap. You could spend 90 cents for lunch.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. Like what we did yesterday.
Yes, we did that.
Yes.
Now, what are the dark sides to Botswana? What is it? Let's talk about some of the dark sides because we want to get this out. Maybe later. We'll talk about it
Yeah,
later.
later. We
All
can
right,
talk
so
about that later.
boom. These are the positives.
Yes. The
And
positive overweighs. They are just showing the love.
this is beautiful country here. Everything
This is the
clean.
main radio station, TV station of Botswana.
And I haven't seen a beggar yet.
And you will never see one either.
Man, you just hardcore cut to the case. Boom.
Yeah, you will never see one unless I become one. No, you will never see a beggar.
You'll never see a beggar.
No, you will never see a beggar.
Choppies.
Choppies, this is the one of the main superstores in Botswana. One of the prominent, let me say.
Owned by
prominent.
Indians.
Yes.
So now 95% of Botswana is operated by black businesses,
Yes,
real
of
estate.
course,
What
yes.
other line of the business in Botswana?
Repeat yourself.
Real
I didn't get you.
estates, car, you know.
Okay, mostly here they're into farming, they're into construction, they're into what else? Transportation. Yeah, those are the main businesses.
Why are they sitting down having a good time? They shouldn't be working hard or something?
No, they are on lunch break.
How much time you get for your lunch break?
They get about an hour or so.
And they take the whole hour.
Yeah, they take the whole hour sleeping, doing nothing.
You
Yeah.
don't sit.
They
At
utilize that hour by sleeping.
you don't sit at your desk.
No, at your desk.
You
for
don't
lunch.
eat your lunch.
All
at your
these
desk.
ones here are on lunch break. Look like what I said. They are.
Whoa,
they're
whoa,
sleeping.
slow down. We gotta
They're
catch
sleeping.
that. Slow down, bro.
They're sleeping
Oh
here.
my gosh, this is what lunch break looks like?
Yes,
Okay.
they're sleeping. They are lazing around.
Oh.
Taking the rest.
Kiddies playground.
Okay.
When mommy and daddy goes for shopping,
This is where Pablo comes.
Pablo
I
comes and
normally
play here.
take Asa here every Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pablo's playground.
Wow, you know, Tylo was supposed to record all this so I wouldn't have to come and do it myself.
Well, since you are here,
You know, might as well,
they
right?
make him.
Jeez,
they make
I'm
use.
glad I came because
Yeah. Yeah.
I would have never seen this amazing
Yes.
country.
Correct.
And now I could share this with the world. World, thank me for spending all this money to show you for free this incredible world.
That's it.
And all this driving in the back-breaking pain on the plane.
That's it.
Oh man, I've traveled
Oh,
a long
yeah?
distance. Yeah,
Yeah, but
18 hours.
it wasn't in vain.
It was worth it.
Yeah.
Coming here, my final stay, and I think I'm gonna drive to Victoria Falls.
Yeah.
Botswana gets the high points, and we're gonna write these bullets down to say what we're saying. Botswana is one of the best countries in the world.
Yes.
It's a chocolate city.
Sweet.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Double chicken is $6. That's good. So we get 2 of those.
Okay.
So I'm gonna play pool
Yeah.
at this
On a
time of
Friday
day.
afternoon,
Friday
yeah.
afternoon. What? You still
Around
work always,
2:30.
right?
Yeah. That man just a joking
Mostly
pool.
you find out
So they
that-
cover the pool table?
After they finish playing, yes, they do.
Wow. This is Africa.
This is the real Africa.
Mostly those guys are taxi drivers, so as they wait for customers,
They play pool.
Their pastime, yeah.
Okay.
Pushing time with that.
Oh, so this is Botswana.
This is a small cab service here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a lot of business. Every man do them business.
Yep. Everybody's self-employed.
Self-employed.
Yeah, the one
They make a lot more money.
better.
Self-employed.
Yeah.
Mechanics make a lot of money.
You're gonna exit
Yes.
the way we came in, okay? It's faster.
I feel barber shop that.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the stuff that's amazing, you know. This is what you call life. Innovation. This is America, you know, because America is free market.
How much you pay for a haircut in America? Normal haircut.
200 pula.
$20
Yes.
for a haircut?
200 pula.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Here you can cut. Here a haircut is $1.50. $1.50. Some $2.
Yeah.
Yeah, so practically with $20 you can get 10 cuts.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I have
And
to
I'm talking about a proper haircut.
get my hair cut and then fly it back out.
What, 2 weeks?
Yeah. A proper haircut plus
Because you do
wash.
it every week, like
Mhm.
Plus wash, yes. Plus you wash your hair,
Wow.
you shampoo it and you dry it and you get it sprayed with your mentholated spirits and you apply a bit of Demetal and all of that and you are good to go. Bump those bump things and all of that.
Yeah.
You are good to go.
But I've been cutting my own hair for probably 10 years now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. That's a cheaper way. And it's more safe.
My haircut, my barber is a mirror.
Yeah. He's the one that communicates with you.
Watermelon, you see?
I still didn't get
Right
any
from the
watermelon yet.
These are the guys who repair tires.
And this is
Good
a
for
tire
about
shop.
$2.
Boom, in the making.
Yeah. No, it's a tire shop already made.
But I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
A full equipped tire shop.
yeah, they're gonna
And
do
there,
some
under
more.
the tree, he's
So, I'm at the Tylo base camp. This is Camp Central in Botswana. There's a dog. The dog is really cool. Tylo's place, and her gate is definitely fenced with electricity. Don't try to pass that, because it will kill you or shock you to hell. It will kill you.
it normally bites.
It bites.
Yes.
Have you ever
And
touched
it-
both of them? No.
No.
So, see, Africa is a prevention measure in Botswana. If you touch these wires, so this is very safe. You can't really climb this.
No, you cannot. Not even.
And every home has this. This is Tylo place. It's nice. I love it.
Yes.
This is Botswana. Tylo got flowers in it. This is Europe. And you know how much Tylo pays for this place? Tutu, her name is. She pays 110 US a month. It's great artists hang out. You can hang out with the dog over here.
Yes. And
What's
it's
his name?
so
He's a cool dog?
windy. And it's a cool dog because normally when a person is by the gate, it barks. That's when we all peep and check, okay, who's there by the gate?
And you guys keep the yard really clean.
Yeah. It's extremely clean. We make sure that nobody spits anything.
So if people come from abroad, how would you rent a place in advance? You could do that.
Yeah, we can actually.
And it's like 50 US for 2 weeks.
Uh-huh.
It's crazy. I spend 70 a day
Really?
in 70 US a day in Jayburg. You could pay 50 for 2 weeks here.
Oh boy. Yeah, come here. It's a little messy though.
This is Tylo joint. This is a great joint, you guys.
This is my open plan.
This is an artist hangout.
And my bed, this is where I sleep. That other side, it's us
Asa?
bed.
You got your necklace. See, Mr. Right, Mistress Right. You got your TV. It works with USBs,
Yes, it does.
so you could. I gotta check it out. This is where I want to come over here and crash.
Yes.
This would have been perfect for me. I'd have crashed right here.
Really?
Yes. And your bathroom is here.
The bathroom?
Yeah, and you have running water and hot water.
Yes.
Hello, Africa.
This is my little haven here.
You see a little joint, and you cook on top of that. The microwave comes with that?
No, the microwave is here. This is a griller. Sometimes I grill. I just take my pan, put veggies there, and then put it
So
there.
wait a
When I
minute,
want
it
to
cooks on the
grill-
top.
Yeah, it cooks on the top too.
That's amazing stove
It's a
combination.
double, yeah. It's a double griller. I can
They
actually
sell
grill
it in
bake.
Botswana?
Yes, it's about 500 pula.
50 US.
Yes.
Can I buy one and get it out of here?
We'll see.
Can they?
We could.
Because they probably don't sell this in America.
Really, it's quite good. I cook here, I bake, and I grill from this at the same time.
I've never seen something like this in Jamaica.
Yeah.
This is perfect. If I had this in a box, you think they'll let me take it out? Maybe.
Possibly, yeah.
I love it.
And then here is my. We don't have a geyser here, so this is where I
what?
warm the
A what?
water.
Oh, for bathing?
Yeah, for bathing.
Okay,
This
okay.
is what this is an N. I
So you're
bathe.
putting this in there. How do you don't get in the shower? You just put it in a pan.
I just boil water here, and then I transfer it to the
Bathroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what I had to do in South Africa.
Yeah.
Oh wow, sorry to invade your space like this.
No, don't stress.
But it's reality. Shava Rankin. Yeah. You got cards. You gotta bring the cards
Yeah.
over the other place. We
We
need the
I
table.
play cards with Asa. It's
Nice,
It's
for a
just
single
the two
mom.
of us here. It's just the two of us here.
Yeah.
So normally I just try to entertain him. And
Do you have other? So I want to get some game boards like Monopoly. There's a place we could buy those, right?
Yes, there is a.
There's another game that I want to get for you guys so we could play. It's a wicked game and some dominoes.
So we normally play cards. We don't know much though, but.
You don't know much, but this YouTube can teach you.
We play like I know 2-3 games of this. So we normally play it as a.
Let me see his phone. Does he have it?
He has it at home.
Okay.
He has
See,
it at
you got your TV. This is perfect.
Yeah.
All right, so all artists, check this out. This is a one room, right?
Yeah, it's an open plan bachelor pad. They call it a bachelor pad.
So I could rent a bachelor pad in Africa for 70 US in Botswana
Yes.
for 90 days. Right, people in the world? And you could get one of these diamond things here. You know, you guys watching this video, you gotta love me. Now, in South Africa, I had to warm the water and I bathe with that because that's how I do it in Jamaica anyway. You put it in the hot tub and then you just bathe, right? Because the water coming out of the shower is cold.
Yeah.
So you fill that halfway, you warm the water here. This is a good water warmer. We need stuff like that in Jamaica. I don't know if they have that. But this thing here, maybe they have it. This is wicked. This is wicked because you know I'm going to live in the dome in the mountains. So stuff like this is priceless.
Yeah. It's priceless.
Yeah, man.
That's the lady who's passing there is my landlord.
It's a landlord.
Yes.
So she owns this whole compound.
She owns this whole compound.
So to build a compound like this, if I wanted to invest, the best thing to do would be buy a piece of land with you, so you have the land. Then we just start building houses on it, and then we rent it out.
Yes.
Simple. So with 50,000 US, done.
And mind you, if she was here, she would tell you her story. She doesn't mind the fancy life. That's one thing I like about her. First, she started with this one room. It was just one.
She built
It is
that.
the same. Yeah, it's the same as mine.
She does
She
bachelors.
built that. She stayed in there, and then connected this one. She moved. She stayed here. It was not complete. She rented this one out. The next until. Right now, she only has a week living in this. It's not yet complete, but she's building it. She moved from this apartment going into that one.
Got it.
Yeah, that's how it is.
That's how people do it.
That's how
And
they
then
do it.
and they collect their rent. She gets to live for free now because she bought her piece of land. So for people in America, the best way for them to invest is to find someone like you who they trust, develop some kind of trust relationship, buy the land, start building the compound. Since you're local, you own it with them, and you guys work it out, and they could retire there.
Yes, and one thing about owning a multi-residential is that it's a win situation all the time. There is no business is down. No, you're pretty much sure that every month there's something in my pocket.
If you don't get your rent, can you go to the courts?
Yes, normally they go to the industrial courts, the small claim court.
And it's quick.
And it's very quick, yeah.
So this is the best business.
Yes. It's the best business that you can
Or else you'd have to marry into Africans. You'd have to marry someone to do it yourself.
Mostly they do that, but nowadays the law has changed. It takes some time to get like approvals and permits and everything. Before it was just like that.
So for a Jamaican to come and get permit to buy land and to set up business is really hard.
So this is where
mint. Is this mint?
Yeah.
Did you plant this?
She did.
She did.
She loves plants. She did. You can actually cut this.
And make
can
tea.
Actually smell it. Yeah. And make tea.
Nice. This is she doesn't have the small mint, but this is the big. So the thing about this wire, it's going to be protected inside when she's done, and she's going to put concrete all over the yard later.
Yeah.
But she's taking her time to build out.
She's taking all the time.
Yeah, but if I touch these two wires now, I'll have a problem. I will not be going back to New York happy. So where do they plug this in?
By the house. Normally this here.
Oh.
I'm sure you saw some open wire somewhere there.
Yeah.
I think they were digging somewhere there.
And how much do you pay for your light bill? How much do you pay for your light bill? Your light. Yeah.
It's 150.
150?
Yes.
$15 for light per month.
Yes. So it goes all the way down to the north of the gate. So it connects everything. The lights are okay. You can see from here. It's coming from the house. Yeah. So the lights are automatic. At night they just switch on. Nobody's controlling it.
Okay, good.
And then in the morning they switch off.
Got it. So you're safe here in Botswana, along with outside being safe too. And there's running water from underneath the road.
Outside.
And there's the flushing system also. There's a big canal
Yes.
all the way along the road.
This is water from outside. Yeah, normally it helps too.
My question is, where does the sewer go?
The sewer, where we were there, that's where the sewer
Oh,
is.
so they have a tank for each compound.
Yes.
So I was asking Q so all right, so Jamaicans, here's the plan. A land piece of plot like this probably will run for about 10,000 US. Probably, right?
Yeah.
For the land, for the square.
This is where I was sewage.
I need to talk to her to get some pricing. This is your pit. So for 10,000 US, you could buy the land, like one of these plots.
Hi, Melda. How are you?
Melda, do you mind I film you?
Interested in knowing all this.
Do along, Ma. Yes. I'm not gonna film you.
Are you finding me busy?
Huh?
You're finding me busy.
If I find you busy, you're busy now. Okay, that's okay.
Huh? All right.
All right,
Emma.
so she's doing her thing. She's busy. Yeah. So you get a plot, you do your thing.
You see, like from here.
Yeah.
That's still connecting. That's still.
Good. Wonderful story. I learned a lot. I'm teaching people a lot. So I know the numbers now.
Yes.
Best approach is to find a partner in Botswana you could trust. Then buy the stuff to them. Then retire on the plot to them. Right?
Yeah.
Got it. Because it's hard to do it by yourself. Right? So that's it for now. This is a tour. This is the beautiful Tylo hanging out at her joint. Botswana, real life in Africa, best place to live. The sun is amazing today, and we're gonna go check out Mama's house, but it's safe here. Thanks, Tylo, for giving us this tour.
Yes.
Yes, Jamaicans, this is Randy again. You know what I do. I'm always on the game for you. While you're there at work, I'm here at work too. What I'm doing is showing you Wakanda, Africa. This is the Africa we dreamed of. When it was just like Jamaica, when Jamaica was relaxed and easy. Sun is shining, people are easy, dark skin and lovely.
Yeah.
Eating up them cow and thing. And Tylo doing the big time living.
Oh yeah.
Tutu, yeah?
Tutu.
This is Tutu, my brethren from Botswana.
Yeah.
She's the one that's exposing me to Africa.
Yes.
Botswana being one of the most incredible places. We just saw where she lived. She's a single mom doing her thing, working. How long you been working at this place you've been working?
Where I am right now, it's my 4th year where I am now. It's a different department from where I was before. I was in a hotel industry, but then that was before I had a child, and then after my kid, that's when I changed the departments because I could not work shifts anymore. I wanted to do normal hours. So I have 4 years now.
Now,
Yeah.
did you finish your schooling, college?
I finished my high school.
High
level.
school?
Yes.
And then this job, you're a manager.
I'm an accountant.
Okay.
Yes.
And how did you learn the accounting? Let's pull up our windows.
Actually, I started off as we're dealing with cars.
Okay, I see.
Yes. And then I started off as a key lady. That's how I started. I was giving out keys to customers whenever they come to the shop. And then out of growth, out of hard work, I was sent for training to go and study further, to actually go and do some courses and study what I am doing now. And I was privileged. That was an honor for me, and I never disappointed them. It took me a day or two to learn what they wanted me to do. And then already I was put on that seat, up to date. I'm still continuing doing the thing.
So single mom, I notice there's a lot of single moms here in Botswana.
Yeah.
The men just have children and run away. Does the government track them in child support, anything like that?
Most of the time it's up to the mother. She gets to decide whether she wants to get the maintenance from the father or she just leave it like that.
And you haven't gone that route?
I haven't gone to that an extent because sometimes you just choose looking at the way a person behaves, and then you just say, okay, fine, no, let's rather just leave it like that. I'll just do the job myself.
So I notice abortion is illegal here.
Yeah.
So women rights are kind of low. And in the parliament, there's not a lot of women.
Yeah.
Are there any women activists that's present in government or on television?
No.
So the women are not vocal for the women?
No, they are not vocal. Even those in parliament, no one would just step out and start speaking for
Why
the
not?
ladies. Here, I think ladies are not given the rightful power to speak out, to voice out.
If Western women should come here to start to help that process, how would they do? How would they? I know they keep them out of the country. Foreigners are kept out, but a lot of strong women who understands. How would women be able to empower other women here? Would it be through YouTube lectures? Would that be the best approach for a powerful woman? Would they make a connection with you?
Yes.
And you could make a connection with a community center with them, and they could come and visit and give seminars. So it would be best for a woman to come and then start giving you guys seminars to help you to start your woman movement, because
We are home.
this is mom's.
Yes.
Where's her fence? This is her house.
This is her house.
So she's building.
It's still new, so slowly she's getting there.
Whose car is that?
It's fooded.
Your dad? He's a speed racer. How much are they?
This is 5 kilo. 10. 5. 12. 15 pula. 25. 30. And she's having something very interesting here. Come and see. It's vegetable. Ke motswako o tlo gona re etela nkoko. This is vegetable. It's made out of beans. Oh, okay. You plant, it's the beans, and then the leaves. These are the leaves. You dry them, and then you cook them, and then they dry, and then this is the vegetable.
You're from the north. He's from the north side?
Yes.
Yeah.
She has a she has a
Can I
different
touch your
language.
face? You're strong. Good woman. You're a real beautiful African. You're a real African woman. I love you. You're the real. What is that for?
It's a fruit. It's a vegetable also.
You cook it with chicken.
Yeah, you boil it. I get a bit soup. You boil this, and then you spit it inside, and then you just eat.
Let's get that.
You need to
And I'll get some of this too, please.
this.
Yeah, get one of the fruits, please. I want to taste it.
Follow what? So
kore ga a lekana ke gona a siana kore ela gore a re ga gore o itse gore ga a omelela wa riana o bona go tobetsega e siame go ntse
for you
Better.
to actually see if it is okay, you just have to
a
press
ke
it
35
down.
ya ke 30
If the juice is
25.
coming out like now,
15
12.
12
You cook it with
10.
chicken
No, you boil it. You just boil
and steam it. The family
You
knows
just
how to
steam
make it.
Yeah?
The family
Yeah.
knows how to make it.
Uh-huh. We do. And then those trees, what is this? Mango tree. Give me this something. Hey, this is a mango tree.
So, Dumalong Ma.
Dumilani tate
How do you say I love
She's
you?
speaking her language.
How-
Dumilani ta.
Dumilani tate
Dumalong Tate.
skala
How do you say I love you in
Kalanga.
Kalanga?
ndokuta
Tugata.
She said ndokuta.
Ingutu?
I say kiahorata.
Okay.
Yes.
We love you all the way from New York. You're the real African woman. Yeah? Tell her that.
How soon? Arwa horata. Go kwa iko New York. Kwa America. Arwa horata.
thanks
Love you. Now we're going to buy your stuff.
She's wearing one of our traditional skirts, but made with different patterns, like prints.
Uh-huh.
This is our African material,
Yes.
and then she's just mixed colors.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Do you have children? Does he have children?
Ona le bana ke. Oh, he has 5 kids.
5 kids.
Mhm.
Yeah? Can I come home for dinner?
Ara akatla go go ena tla go ja dijo.
Ola big
Eh, la ga-
ya gona bothata
no problem.
How far does she live?
Gonna go kae? Mopane is the other side of town.
Okay.
Like the other side.
One day I'll come, we'll go home for dinner.
I go to rekisetsa ngwana hela.
ma
Yeah.
le ka
Good.
moso ke tabe ke se
Let's do some business. Let's get some of these things.
Okay, this will be 20 pula.
Mm-hmm.
I think 50 will
Let's
do.
get 2 watermelon, the big ones.
This one. Okay. 135, 35, 35, 60, 60, 60,
70 ale two ba ka le kae
70 for 2. 70 for 2. And then 70, 20 pula. That's 20 pula. No, no, okay, then it's plastic. Then it will be 100. 100 pula all in all. Hey. She gives us
Extra.
She gave us extra.
Gift. Thank you.
Yes.
A gift.
Thank you.
And we get 2 of the big ones,
Yes.
and they're nice and juicy.
Let's see if you know how to choose. Normally they do this. I don't know why they do it.
Well, you choose, and this is color. You see this? This, I mean, is good. It sit down for a long time. It's good. Huh? I'm good.
Really?
If it's too green, this is good. It's yeah. This one, nah. This one, yeah.
Normally the nicest one is these ones. I get
The green. All right, so we'll take it. We'll take it.
Leaving this one.
We'll leave this. Take this, right?
Yeah, we'll take this.
We'll take this. Oh, it's heavy.
Careful.
Tell her it's heavy.
And then add a little bit. Just a little bit.
Ah. Thank you. Tell her thanks so much. See you soon. Tell her see you soon. You got your change?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, ma.
Bye. That's a good woman. Hello everyone, we're in Botswana, chilling. You see the look at my face, the sun and the vibe and the people and everything is really airy. I'm hanging out with Tylo. It's a good country. I gotta say, Botswana is one of the best countries in Africa. It's low key, it's relaxing. Watermelon is like $1.50, right?
Yeah.
So we just spent $7 for 2 watermelon, some fruits to steam, and some leaves for like what's that?
Vegetable.
Vegetable, right? 50 cents for a melon. Are you kidding me? I would literally come here with money just to eat all the melon here. This is the city center. And Jamaicans, you have to come to Botswana. You could spend 70, I keep repeating it over and over, 70 US to rent a place for the entire month. Jamaica, this is little Jamaica. Before Jamaica, this is peaceful Jamaica. This is peaceful Africa. This is what Botswana is. This is like, look how sunny it is. This is clean Africa. This is business Africa that's not too busy. This is posters everywhere, that's Black Africa.
That's Black Africa.
This is Black Africa.
Yeah.
Cape Town is not Black Africa. You know, this is Africa.
Real Africa.
This is real Africa. Calm, business Africa, human Africa, love Africa, sunny Africa, rich diamond Africa. What else? Food, cheap Africa, family Africa. Posters are all African. You know, we're talking about humanity. This is where it is. Businesses. Small businesses that are up. Let me tell you, I've seen so many barbershops that are incubators. Easygoing people. No taxi man rushing you. Nobody grabbing your phone. There's no shootings. There's no gun for the police. I keep repeating this. This is Wakanda. And I want to go to the Congo to see if that's Wakanda, because I know there's a lot more stones there. But this is Wakanda. This is where the energy is loving. Right? So if you're American and you want to come to Wakanda, this is it. 90 days here, you save money. Just get a big jacuzzi or a swimming pool. You don't need a beach.
Not at all. Not at all.
But this is where you say the animals are. The elephants.
Yes, up north.
Up north.
Yes.
And now this is the Lion King of Africa, right? Clean, beautiful, amazing, and where the most beautiful women are in Africa.
Yay!
Now this place Nando's, which is, I love it. The food here is like $4 US. We're gonna eat lunch today here. $4 US for a whole plate of food. $4 US. Asians are here. They love it here. You see smiling at me?
Yes.
This is a Mexican place, right? Things are so cheap here, and the sun. Indians are here. They own a lot of the stores. I just love it. My favorite part of Africa is Botswana. This is my country. This is where I would retire. We're gonna have lunch with Tylo. So my good friends in America, in Jamaica, Randy says, get your ticket to Botswana and get a place and link up with people, and it's clean here. I saw the ghetto, even the this is steroids for me. Ingredients. Look at this, ingredients here. Guava pulp, sugar, citric acid, non-nutritive sweetener, sodium, that's a lot of stuff. But with this, it's a little bit more natural here. It's a little bit more quicker. Here we have ingredients. This is a few things here. This stuff is making me really happy here. So let's get a couple of this.
It's a bit pricey. Why?
This is $160, right? Then the other place?
The other side it was something like.
And we bought all these corns and orange. Orange was like $3. And the papa like $2 something. Botswana food is very cheap. You know, little mall, city and everything. The people are friendly, easygoing. I just love Botswana. Now this is my favorite African country. I can't tell you how much I'm happy making the trip to actually being here, knowing how to get here. It's a privilege experiencing this with this family. I'm staying for free for 2 weeks. They gave me a car. You know, we buy food together, we cook together. And I cook for them. My friend Tylo's family. Got my own room. Doors locked. Africa, Botswana. One of my favorite places in Africa. We're gonna have another cooking experience. It's Tylo.
Don't spoil your appetite.
$20. This is 200 pula.
And that's a lot.
And it's a lot. We paid 77 for dinner for 9. Are you kidding me? The chicken was fresh. How much for each of the corn? Do you remember?
This could be like 3 pula each.
3 pula each. That's 30 cents each.
Yes.
For the corn. The papaya was like $2.50. The orange was like $3 for all those oranges. Right?
Oh, thank you.
All right, finally, this is like Botswana TV again, and it's Randy. Right now, basically, we're having lunch for $21 US. Amazing. Are you crazy, Tylo? Is this like crazy? Everybody. This is $21. And this is $30 worth of juice and corn. And this is the amazing view. Like, Botswana is like my favorite vacation spot. And the sun right now, real nice. So you just need a big jacuzzi and everything and you're all right. Big up yourself, Tylo.
Yeah.
And people come in here too to just check out what? What's in there? What's in there? Oh, so it's like a park here at Asia can come here?
No, it's a hotel. So yeah, people come here for weddings and what, casinos. This one of the biggest hotels. GICC Gaborone International Conference.
The Saudi what?
The SADC meeting, like African meetings.
Okay. We don't have to stop. I get it. It's beautiful. Nice. Love the sunset. There's a bar over there. We could see that. The gambler here is legal. ¿Dónde están todos? Africa.
Confirm ho
77
Emma
14
Emma
66 66
Emma 100 pool.
Where can I get one of those shirts?
Which one? This
Yeah.
Chinese.
Oh, but it's not African.
Huh?
It is?
No, it's not African. Huh? Emma, it's not African. This is just an ordinary shop.
So let me ask you. So
Okay.
you just once you have the number, you just give it's charged up, right?
You have the number, you give them the money, and then you charge.
It's relaxing. Watermelons is little Jamaica, real Africa. Calm. Business Africa. This is Wakanda. And I want to go amazing. It was like, this is not the ghetto. Morning, the African vibe right now. I'm in Botswana, my brethren, Mr. Q, coming to you from Botswana, Africa. Tell them about the soup from the last day.
The soup was fantastic, my brethren. I love it. What did you put inside?
Well, some chicken wings.
Yeah. Is it the same thing that you are doing today?
Same thing I'm doing today.
On a bigger scale?
Slightly
Yeah.
bigger scale because now we have some corn
Okay, okay.
and
Last time there was no corn.
and some okra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you
And
put coconut milk?
no. You want coconut milk in this
You
one?
can put a little bit of coconut milk.
Let me
for
get the
it, please.
coconut milk. Let's do
Yeah,
that.
We have coconut milk. We want
Let's
higher
do
level.
that. Let's do that.
Yeah, just for the
I will
taste.
put some thyme in it.
Yeah. Of course.
And set it up nice.
So Randy, who taught you to cook this soup?
Well, basically, it comes through on the camera. Well, mommy, you watch when you're there at Jamaica. You always just watch your
I love how it's boiling up there, man.
Just like the bubbling.
Yeah.
Camera, show the bubbling, troubling.
Yeah.
I want to put some corn in it, you
I
know.
love how it's bubbling up, man. Yeah, you're coming up alright, man.
Yeah, man. So now, one of the trick I found out in Botswana, they have this nice this box of carrot here.
Yeah.
This is not my new secret.
Okay.
They have this box of
100%
carrot here.
juice.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
And it's wicked.
Yeah.
And they make the soup nice and colorful.
Yeah.
I'm get my
Oh, that is what is giving it the color.
Yeah, man.
Did you put some dumpling in there, my
No
brethren?
dumpling yet. So I'm gonna put set up the dumpling now.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the flour dumpling now.
Okay.
But right now you see we have the chicken wing in there, we have the okra, we have the corn boil.
You didn't put some beef inside, man?
Beef? We
Yeah.
have chicken wing, man. You gonna mix
Okay.
it?
Alright, good.
Alright, so I have the chicken wing, and then this thing right here is a fruit thing, soft at the end. We're gonna dig it out and throw it in there too.
Okay, what is that?
Kind of like a chocho, but it's
Okay.
a fruit from Africa. I'm not sure the name.
Okay, I'll get you.
Now
yeah.
this thing here is kind of like leaves, right?
Okay,
That
yes.
was dry, so now you can throw
Yes.
some of that in there.
Yes.
So we just kind of try something
Experiment
new.
something.
You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
yes.
And deal with it the way there. So it's a bubble.
That dry leaf there in the Caribbean, you can call it pak choy or poi.
Yeah.
Yes, it's like a callaloo, a dry callaloo.
So
Yeah.
that is the soup for today. We're dealing with that. I'm gonna cut some more sweet potato to make it nice. You see me?
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Let me talk to you about some of the things I love about Botswana.
Yeah.
The sweet potato is pretty soft.
Floury.
It's soft. Wait, get me the flour now. You're gonna wash your hand, get some flour.
All right.
And we'll wait on the salt.
Okay.
But
What
let's
are you
get-
making with the flour?
I'll make some dumpling, man.
You making some dumpling?
God, man, want to.
All right.
So we send for some scallion and some salt.
Okay.
This is Botswana, Africa.
Yeah.
This is one, after Jamaica, this is the second best place in the world.
Yes, of course. Represent.
I mean, no, after GT and Jamaica.
Why you didn't miss out GT boy? Why you had to miss out GT boy?
We have to think global now, we have to
Yeah.
be inclusive.
I
And the juice GT master. Jamaica and GT, best country in the world in Botswana. 1, 2, 3, double it up, cause let me tell you, Caribbean, we have to now start thinking about Africa. That's why I link up with Mr. Q. Cause we're gonna buy a piece of land and call it Little Caribbean
Yeah.
and bring all the Caribbean islands, people,
Caribbean
set up the
treasure.
flag and
The
everything.
Caribbean treasure.
And build a complex and rent
Yes.
it out and
Yes,
things. So
yes,
we
yes.
can start moving to Africa. That's why we came here. Tell them about your story living here for 19 years. Talk to them. Give me the flour. You have to multitask, you know.
Shucks, but you don't make I forget like after 7. Shucks. Is where the flour, yeah? As the wife about everything, then you know the kitchen and all that.
Yes, bubbling, troubling, bubbling, troubling.
Troubling, yeah.
Bubbling, troubling pot.
Yeah.
Some
But
like,
don't do that.
some like it cold, but we like it hot. This is a bubbling, troubling pot. And the big family them comes and make sure you have to have enough potato, you have to have enough corn, you have to have enough sweet potato, and get some dumpling. We might have to throw some little beef in it too, like you said, meat it up.
Yeah. Because they like beef a lot.
Them like the beef. Botswana is big on beef. The people them eat a lot of meat here.
Of course.
But we have to re-educate them because they have to start doing vegetable garden. We have to make some flyers and make the woman them know.
This is our flour here. We're gonna be making some runs dumpling. Yeah.
Have you ever made dumplings, sir?
Yeah, but not.
What kind of dumpling you make? You make them strong and hard?
No, I haven't yet made tough here. I made the African dumpling, which is just those big out of shape dumplings.
Yeah.
I haven't eaten my Caribbean dumpling.
You never? In a 19
I've
years?
never eaten my Caribbean. I've never lashed my Caribbean dumpling in my life since I ate. Since I ate 19 years.
19 years you know.
This is the first time I'm gonna eat my dumpling from Mr. Ron.
Alright, give me
Big up,
some
big up.
some warm water in one cup. Make we deal with it.
Alright, good. Yes? Huh? Why I? No. Never. You want some more water?
Yes, please, sir. So now for the garden, we're going to go outside in the garden and put the peel them under the dirt to start the thing so them can start them
They
garden.
don't have gas. We forgot to send pie yesterday.
Oh, we have a cupcake right there, so.
This cookies they didn't have that item.
They didn't have scallion.
You want it hot, 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 hot.
Good. That's good. So, you know how to make dumplings?
Sorry, careful.
No.
No, right?
I just know how to eat it.
You know, you making the dumplings, you throw the water. Get the water again, don't throw the water in the pot.
Oh, you want to mix up the flour?
You know how to make dumplings?
No, my wife, she knows.
Alright.
Ah!
Let me teach you guys
Are you
how to make
serious?
dumplings today. Alright? So you want to get the camera, set the camera over the pot. Tilt it down and just sit over the pot so I can teach you guys how to make dumplings.
What? You're actually teaching us?
Yeah, man.
For you.
Put it over the pot, sit it up on here,
Okay.
and
We're gonna maybe put it over there.
we're gonna give you it to me. Yes, I. Perfect. Cool thing with the selfish stick here. We're gonna do this. Oh, nice. Lovely. Family can come over now.
Good.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely. Give thanks for life. Give thanks to New York. Give thanks to Brooklyn. Give thanks to everybody all over the world.
Represent.
Sending the love and blessings from Botswana. Jamaicans, we love you. GT Massive and crew.
Irie.
We have to send it over the Guyanese and DT Massive and Jamaican them and the Botswanan. We're teaming up with all different culture to make this shift to Africa. So we're linking up with the Botswanian people because it's one of the most peaceful places in Africa. And we're doing the show straight out of Botswana. Come represent yourself, Tylo. Tutu.
Tylo, come here.
Tutu. This is Tutu. This is our African connection.
Yes, in Botswana.
And we're linking up with Caribbean, Jamaican, GT. We want some Haitians, we want some other people to come through. We're going to build a camp, the Caribbean camp. Here in this part, we're going to set up our flags. You're going to send your money and you're going to be a part of the thing. All right, see you there. West Indian, African, everybody coming together to build a new nation. Give thanks. No.
Yeah.
Right now we're going to make some dumplings. We're going to make it the Jamaican way.
Okay.
All right. So we have the white flour. Can you have the salt for me, please?
The salt.
Salt, please. We have a cupcake. Hey, Asa, would you like to share a cupcake with
JD?
With JD? Come on. You would like a cupcake?
Do you want a cupcake? No.
Okay.
You guys are having December. So just gonna put that in there.
This pot is a troubling, bubbling pot. Now, tell them about Africa, why you like to live here in Botswana.
One of the things that I like about Bots is because it's a country free. It's so free here. You can actually do anything, any time of the day. Walking, sleeping late,
Not going to work on
relaxing
time.
outside.
Not going to work on time.
No, no, that one is not inclusive. So it's so exciting actually to live in Bots. I mean, we have all the freedom. Thank you.
Yeah.
All the freedom. Huh?
And a good
So
brother.
how long have you been here? 15 years, right?
19, correct?
19. Oh,
Hell yeah.
19. And he's loving it here.
And who is cute to you? Who is this boy to you? This cute boy?
My brother-in-law.
You heard?
Alright, so we're going to start the dumpling with the three diverse cultures. Q, come over here. So we're making dumpling for the family. First thing you do, of course, you throw your flour in the pot. You start, this is called the starter, because you're going to have to put more. Because the more water you put, then you're going to have to make it hard. In Jamaica, we need it like karate business. Like you watch the karate movie, put some salt in there. That's about it. Just a little bit of salt. And then you start your water. When you start your water, you tip it.
Boys.
Just
Again,
tip
that,
it.
again, that, again.
And then you start tipping it, tip it, tip it, tip it, tip it, tip it. And then you put it around the edge of the pot. And you just put it around the edge of the pot and start wipe it with it.
Tylo, and you?
Yeah,
You
I'm
know?
gonna do that. Let me wash my hands.
You gonna do that for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
And that's it.
Tylo, get
Because
them.
I also want to learn how to make dumplings.
Because the warm water is very, use the warm water.
But people look at who.
And you just keep on stir the water in, and then you just do that. And you're gonna get one big, you see, reason why you have to keep doing that is just do it like that, and then you get your new lump. You get your lump in, right?
Ronnie, can I ask you, who taught you to make this?
Again, we watch our mothers. We don't learn things in Caribbean. We just watch.
Watch, you teach yourself.
You watch, and when you're a kid and you see people doing it, you just keep watching. So everything's about observation.
But Tutu is not that difficult, right?
Can you give me some more
Some
warm
more
water,
water.
please?
Okay.
So then, once this is your first round and it's wet, okay? The goal is to make this dry. All right. So then, when you make your first round like this, you notice. Wait a minute. There's some greedy people in the house. This is not enough.
I think we should just get the whole bowl.
Right?
Yeah.
You said this is not enough.
Yeah.
These people are gonna go crazy greedy on you, right? So then you do your first one. You just keep making your first one. It's gonna do that. No problem. Don't worry about it. And you just keep working it around. Wipe the pot with it. Don't worry about it, right? And then it's sucking up everything that's wet. It's gonna take everything that's dry.
So you only include the salt, no sugar,
No sugar, no
baking
nothing.
powder,
No, none of
yeast.
that. None of that.
Oh,
No, this is boiled dumpling. This is not for baking. Okay, now, the best thing to do for health is never to use white alone. You use 50% cornmeal, 50% white. Create a balance. This is gluten heavy, and it will line your intestine, and it will make your stomach big.
Yes, Dr. Ron.
So dumpling is a thing, is not a regular thing to eat once a month, all right?
all right.
So now you see it now it's getting hard and it's happy and it's like, yay. But you'll find that there's a lot of hungry people here. So then you say, you know what, we're gonna make some more. So you know what you do? You take this off to the side.
Yeah.
You
So
know,
this one
give
is
myself
done.
a plate. It's not done. This is the beginning.
Oh,
We serious about dumpling making in Jamaica. We're serious about it.
Why you leaving out the islands? In the Caribbean.
Sorry, in GT too. In the Caribbean, we're serious about dumpling making. So this is our global network. Let's try that. So let's take this flat bar now, put it to the side. Now, what I'm gonna, all right, beautiful. You guys' hands are washed?
Yes.
Good. So now what I'm gonna show you now is, now it's time to really knead the dumpling.
The kneading,
So
massaging part.
no, when you start kneading it, it's like, oh, that's too wet.
You add a bit.
So then you're gonna keep adding more flour. Okay? When you're kneading a dumpling, it's gonna take the inside out. So now this is where you start working. This is where, and if it's wet, if it can't get off your fingers, you gotta add more flour in there. Right?
That's the trick about it.
So the thing is to make it dry,
Yes.
half dry.
Yes, that's
So you're gonna
possible.
keep adding your flour. And it's gonna take you about a good 20 minutes or 30. And some serious dumpling makers, they compete on how hard the dumpling is when they eat it. Some people like to eat dumpling when it's soft in the soup, and it's like, oh, it's such a nice. And when you bite it in oil, you get a in your mouth.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
But some Jamaican men, we compete. You know, so what we do when we were younger, we're like, oh, I mean Caribbean men. We need our
Thanks for
dumplings.
correcting yourself.
We need our dumplings so hard. My brother and I, we used to compete. You know, so when dumpling is an art, we compete with how round the dumpling is, with a little hole in it. Who can make the most perfect dumplings? So we used to in the kitchen cooking, and we're just like, who's gonna make the most perfect dumpling? Nice and smooth. And then you make it, making it in your hand middle, that's where it's gonna become a challenge, form it in your hand. So you see, this kneading is gonna take you another 30 minutes to keep doing this.
What?
So dumpling keeps them building
30
muscles.
minutes?
Yes, what they're doing this. It's like a
Could you
karate
can
movie.
manage?
Have you ever seen a karate movie?
The problem is my.
Oh, there's always a problem with
very-
you. You use tea.
Oh,
When you use dumpling,
Yeah,
your
things.
wrist becomes strong. Okay?
all right.
Don't make life be a problem, because in Jamaica there's no problem. And in the Caribbean there's no problem.
So,
Okay, see that? You see how much I have to keep putting in there? Because I keep getting out the middle.
Yeah.
It's just getting hard now. But this is what builds your muscle. And,
Yeah, I so believe that, eh?
you know, if you want to watch karate movies, you see them making dumplings.
Mr. Washington.
Right?
yeah.
Okay.
No, continue watching.
Right? All right.
All
So
right.
now, if your wish is not strong enough, this will build your wrist for you.
Aha. That's what I need.
And there's two kind of dumplings. There's a round one for when you put yeast and stuff in the other one,
Okay.
it's for frying.
Uh-huh.
When you boil the one, you don't put nothing in there but salt. And then you have the roll-up dumplings for soup. There's different kind of dumplings you can make. And you have some people, they make long, they roll it into a big long thing, and then they cut it with the knife and just throw it in the pot.
All right.
So you don't have to make it into perfect circles. You could roll it and then cut it. And every time you keep pushing it, you got to get the dust in the middle to keep on, because it's still wet.
You need it hard.
You need it just to be so tight. I think this is enough dumpling. I don't think we need more. But the Q is the one that's going to be crazy about this dumpling, eating it up.
And it's probably gonna want more.
All right, see if your hands can work with that. And don't hurt yourself. Take your time.
All right.
Now for the soup here, we don't have much green stuff. Yeah, there you go. Take your time, don't hurt yourself.
Ya go nna habat. Ya go nna habat. Ya go nna habat.
Hey, hello there. So,
Chosa. Chosa.
Hey.
Oh. Money.
What? JD.
This is Miss Lou here, my beautiful wife. Come here, baby. This is Miss Lou here.
Yeah.
We are making dumpling. The other sister is on the kneading process right now. Don't hurt yourself, right?
No.
so everybody's gonna take a turn. You have to wash your hands, because
Yeah.
Tylo can't do it alone.
So you
No,
better
Tylo has big shoulders.
You better get your hands cleaned.
So it has to be hot.
Yes.
I'm gonna cut up some onion in the soup, and we're not gonna use any pepper because the kids are here. When we're cooking soup with children around, we take out some of the soup at the last minute.
The kids wouldn't be eating our soup.
Why not?
This one he doesn't eat.
No, you can't have the music.
You press the music?
Turn off the stereo. Just turn the stereo off. All right, turn the laptop off. Close it.
Blue, come. You're next. Yep.
Yeah, very good, Tylo.
Yeah, I'm doing so good.
You're doing a dumpling job. You're doing a dumpling of a job. This is Botswana making the. This is the first dumpling you ever kneaded dumpling? Oh, nice. Very good, Tylo. Very good. Now put a little bit more flour in there. It's a little wet. Or use what you already have. Use everything you have in here.
Okay.
Put a little bit more flour in there. Just a little bit to make it dry. Because when it's wet, you can't really manage it.
Lulu? It's your turn. There.
Look, I should do it. Come on, punch. Can I have my apron? What is that? Yeah.
That's it. That's how it's done. So now this is the first time making dumplings?
Yeah, for me, yeah, it is.
Yes. Yes, there you go. There you go. Alright, so let me help you here for a second. The goal is to fold it into itself, like that. You see what I mean? Like, force it, kind of loop it into itself.
Okay.
So it loops into itself. And
Give me water. Say thank
so we're not gonna mix the meat at this stage.
You want the meat inside now?
We're not gonna mix it, but we're gonna put some mince in there.
Correct.
So we're doing a chicken.
One mince only?
What is this?
This is baking powder. For Chef Ronnie, how many minutes do you need? Is enough. Dr. Ron, aka Chef Ron.
Alright, so now we get some.
Wow, it's getting nice and thick now. Wow.
Let's get the sweet. The
What do you think? This is like a cookout.
Okay.
Yeah. This is like a cookout.
Yeah.
You don't have that big wooden spoon? Okay, sir. Alright, give me these ones.
So we have chicken, we have beef. Now this is gonna have to cook a lot now because the dumpling is gonna go in there now.
Okay.
Now it's time for us. Now everybody can just align themselves, and we could really start making the dumplings now.
Okay.
So I think we're in a good place with this. We're not gonna go crazy.
Papi, what's wrong? Baby, wait. Can you come and solve surgery? Huh? Surgery problem. You want milk? Should I give you milk? Okay, wait. Ah, spoiled. Cute.
Hello, my boy.
Alright, so now what I'm going to do here is to take off the first dumpling. This would be it. We're going to make them small. So Tylo, when you take off a piece like this, then you put it in your hand middle, and you start bringing it in the middle like that.
All right.
Wash your hands, you came from outside. So Q, you have to join us with the dumpling folding.
No, I'm only joining the dumpling eating. I'm only interested in the eating.
So now this is how you make your dumpling. You take off a piece and your goal is to keep squeezing it in the middle.
Let my hand dry.
Yeah.
The way it's bottom.
Paolo's bottom.
It's in the car. Dry.
Paolo, don't do that. Don't do that.
So now I could make this smoother and everything, but I'm not gonna put.
France it.
One dumpling done in the pot. That's a big juicy dumpling there, Tylo.
It's a big one.
Tutu. That's good. Lou, come make a dumpling. Wash your hands. You guys have to.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. We just do that quick, you know. Let me tell you something. When you eat dumpling and fried chicken, woo, with coconut oil,
I'm just gonna bite my hands.
woo.
Probably.
Very nice, Tylo.
Thank you.
Very nice, Tylo.
Paolo is getting a pick actually.
Thank you.
Boo, you gave Paolo.
I'm doing so good. Next time I'm gonna be baking for you guys.
Where is it? Okay,
So how do you do?
See right there what we're doing here? We hold in the middle, we fold it in the middle of it.
Yeah.
And then when we're done, we just roll it out like this. Nice.
So it's so small and soft.
You know West Indian man does multitask, clean house, wash clothes, cook food, press clothes.
Oh yeah. This dumpling is gonna, this is gonna be trouble.
So I go like,
Ronnie, to give it nice taste, you know what you need to do?
What I need to do?
Put some mairiri inside, at least two.
What's that?
Those pepper, 2 pepper. The raw one, okay? Just to simmer down.
The pepper.
Yeah.
The hot pepper.
Yeah. Just to simmer it down.
The kids are not gonna eat
No,
this.
it's not gonna open that pepper. Just
I know, but are the kids are gonna eat this?
yeah. They will.
What we do?
No, they wouldn't eat it.
They're not gonna eat the soup?
There you go.
No?
No, they wouldn't eat it.
They didn't eat any of the first soup?
The soup is here for the kids. Let me show you. Look, this soup is here, and this soup is here. If I take this in the car, they will eat that soup. This is an adult soup.
that was a bet.
Give it a
So
little
you have
middle.
to, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Now I know.
This some big sexy dumpling, you know. Alright, just see I know dumpling happy. I could get some, yeah. Get some. Alright, Paolo,
Stop it.
get your coloring book. Go get your coloring book. Yeah, see?
Ready, ML? Sit down.
It's a pleasure making dumplings in Africa.
Yeah.
I come all this way, well, a lot of miles, 18 hours on the flight, 2 flights. Then from Johannesburg, Cape Town, you know, and I'm finally here. I think this is one of the places I want to retire, you know.
You're welcome.
It's a good vibe. It's like Jamaica. This place is just like Jamaica, but a lot more peaceful. Yeah, man. The family have come over, right? You call them?
So when he goes to school, he's eating with a towel?
No.
Yeah, there's a roll of dumplings, right? It's something called a roll of dumpling. When you make soup, you don't have to make them like this.
Okay.
And you don't have to make a lot of them. You do stuff like this.
Okay.
They love it.
How's that?
See that? That's another way to make them.
Oh, okay.
For soup especially, this is amazing.
Okay.
Kids love it.
Yeah.
And everybody loves it. So Tylo, this is another way to make your dumpling for soup.
Alright.
Hey, Q, remember this?
I know, that is the one you were talking about yesterday.
Yeah.
The fine one.
It's another way to make your
The
dumpling.
fine one. Yeah, I get you.
And the dumpling's going to add some texture to the soup also.
Of course, yes, the flour taste and all that.
So this is a quick way to do it, especially for soup. So you don't have to make a lot, especially with your kids. Just do that, throw it in the pot. You should always give them soup. It's good for cold. It builds the system.
Especially now when it's winter.
Soup. You do soup every week. In Jamaica, we do soup every week, and we put peas in it.
Yeah, they hardly do soup.
Soup is very healthy.
Extremely.
And chicken soup. Stay off the red meat soup. You must only eat red meat 3 times a week, or once a week. And you must have vegetable 4 times all the time. And then you get the cabbage, you cut it up with some vinegar in a big bottle, put it in your fridge, and then that's your sauerkraut. Every time you eat a little cabbage on the side. It helps you to digestion. That is for fermentation. If you don't eat fermentation, you will get a stomach. Right? The thing will stay along your intestine, all the food, especially the meat. The meat is rotten and it stays inside of you.
Yeah, I'm coming there.
So when you use the bathroom, it's like, whoa, who was in here? Let her not come back in here again. Because meat is something that needs a fermentation. So the ketchup is very important in your diet. If you don't have the cabbage, use the ketchup. Put the ketchup on your food, especially the kids' food. Always put ketchup on their food. That's your tomato. That's your fermentation, okay? That's very important. Now, can I get some potatoes, like Irish potatoes, please? If you could peel a few for me. Oh, and we have beets too. You could also put 2 beets in your soup too. 2 beets.
Beetroot?
Beets, the red thing.
Not that will spoil it.
Not totally, but it gives it a...
No, that will spoil it, I promise you.
It will color everything out to be red.
How do you want your potato to be cut?
Don't cut them, just peel them.
Oh, okay.
Whenever you want potato not to boil quickly, you don't cut it. And it's the last thing that goes in because it's soft. A lot of Jamaicans will disagree, and West Indians will disagree with me, but they can't because this is my video.
Not sure.
You know, a lot of Jamaicans say, I want to go Africa go teach them because around the yard do the wrong thing.
I get you.
They must say I represent the country wrong. I'm not talking, I'm an accent.
Yeah.
And that's what I say, but I don't care. We will never buy no plane ticket.
Yeah.
Everybody should come and experience on that. Oh,
Why you not go buy your plane ticket before you start talking?
Yeah.
You know, talk up. Go around, you think you want to go Africa? Yeah, man. So when it comes to Africa, link up Q, we have bridges of Botswana now, and Jamaicans are coming, but we must keep it vice low, keep it peaceful, because then people will lock you up to smoke a stick of marijuana, and 1 year you go to prison. We don't have to hold it down. No loud business, no gun business. Easy on yourself, because let me tell you, if one I know mess up Botswana, then kick out the whole away. Yeah, man, I'm telling you straight along. It's going to take one Jamaican to mess up the whole thing. And if I buy my house and build my land, then they mess up one, then round up everybody.
how many do you need?
Right?
How many potatoes do you need?
Beautiful. Them round up everybody and kick we out.
Yeah.
So please, I beg you Jamaicans, when you come, leave the hag and go thing back home.
Yeah, man.
Please, me know no peaceful, me know no affluent and no good people, but please don't be like the Nigerians there.
Yeah, man.
No, I love Nigerian people. On that note, them great. Different culture have different octaves. Botswana, kind of keep it low level. You know Botswana in the mall. Yo, come over here, my youth, come here. That would be a Jamaican or a Nigerian.
I hear that.
You will never hear the octave in a house. Haitians, Jamaican, Nigerians, loudest in the whole world. Botswanans, would you back at
Let me make a correction. It's not Botswanans, it's Botswana. That's how we call it.
More than one.
Botswana.
Yes.
Why do I keep saying bots?
Yeah, our nation is, it's Nigerians, South Africans, Jamaicans, Ethiopians. Us, we are called Botswana.
Yeah.
Botswana.
Yes.
And us, we are called what?
At the end.
Not knees, not.
Oh, Botswana. Oh, so it's not Botswanese.
No.
Like Chinese, Jamaicanese.
No,
we don't do that.
We are Botswana.
Botswanian. No Botswanian.
Not Botswanian.
Oh.
Yes.
So it's Botswana. Botswana.
Botswana.
More than one.
Oh, more than one is called Botswana.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Our
And-
nation is called like that.
Okay. So Botswana.
Yes.
That's
thank
more
you.
than one Botswanian. I'm just kidding. You know you can't stop a Jamaican for how them talk. You see me? Right, GT?
Correct.
Yeah, Jamaican people, when them come, they want to hear whatever you say. All right, cool.
Correct, star. Follow
But no, all right, so we get it. But Botswana.
Yes.
So now, why do I keep saying Botswana?
Most people don't know, hey? Most people don't know that we are dressed as Botswana, not Botswanese, not Botswanian, like normally people say.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll have to get a class,
Yes.
you know. So
There you go. How
nice,
many
thank
minutes?
you. How much we have so far?
We put in 3 days.
No, you know that.
All right, we're to get 5.
You don't want to drink it.
All right, the soup is looking good, amazing. So where's now, big man? I'll put some pepper in it.
Yeah, put down two green, two wrap up inside.
We're going to
But
put
not let it
some.
open.
We're going to put some garlic seasoning in it.
Put everything in one.
We're going to put some thyme in it. We're going to make it bubble in a trouble.
Yeah, JD, don't do that. JD, stop it. JD, stop it. JD, stop it.
I wish I had some scallion, but in the Botswana people them.
You can actually get it in some certain shops.
And them don't like tomato
There
down
you
here.
go.
Jamaican them don't like tomato.
All of that attention of that. Dirty.
So tell them about your life. People want to hear about your life.
Turn this side, Miss Blue.
Tell them about your life, Tylo.
No, Tylo.
Tutu.
My brother-in-law seems to be enjoying my
New family.
no, not found name. It's been there. It's been existing all along. It's just that you just found out about it.
Alright. That's
Yes. And the way you pronounce it, Tylo.
Which pepper you putting inside,
I
boss?
just put a look at this in a.
No, I want you to put the
The real
green,
pepper.
the raw one. I get it.
You tell the family them so I cook some soup or?
Tylo,
Mm-hmm.
you tell the family you cook some soup. Here they are not big eaters of soup and all.
Oh, okay. But them did like the first one, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, not that.
But no, but you don't do that. Pick your bottle. Pick your bottle. Pick it.
Alright, I got your coffee.
This is.
Pick it. Hey, and drink it. Good boy.
Thank you so much.
I got you a star.
He's a
That's
good
it.
boy.
Them hot.
Yeah. Wash them and throw them in
I
there.
want to chop them up, you see.
No. You're gonna make a big blunder there. If you want to lash it, you can take it out and put it on your plate. As if you chop it up, it's going to be extra
Dad.
hot.
So let's just take one and just
Alright, put it on.
then cut it and make it once and just make it
Alright, good. Like,
seep in it. So these are very hot.
Yeah. Not hot, but
And Tylo, do you eat these raw?
no, here they don't eat a lot.
You're not a pepper country?
No,
No.
they don't eat a lot of chili. My father, before he eat the food, he got lashed down to this raw.
And this pepper is good for you also.
That's it.
Yes.
You put a lot of okra in this thing, boss.
Yeah, man, you want to put some more?
Yeah, man, put the
No,
next.
it's okay.
You sure?
She don't want no more okra in it. She don't want no more okra in
You
it.
don't want more okra inside.
Yeah.
You want more okra inside?
No.
Look at that thing, JD will throw it down. Look behind it.
JD, that's yourself. You know, JD and Father, we need to lock you guys
I'm
in
telling
some
you.
way.
JD, sit down, sit down.
Have you ever eaten this?
Normally I taste it on the
My lad, what kind of girl pepper this here come give me? May I eat the thing? No,
You know
that like a sweet pepper. What I'm doing? Where you come from?
Right, bye.
Come on, eat this.
Now I'm gonna taste this.
Eat it, man. Like,
No, man.
don't be a girl.
Nah, this thing hot, bye.
What I say? Maybe me eat the wrong part?
Yeah, taste it. You taste it, taste. No, rat. This rat. You think that enough? That is the hottest we just get here, boy. Well, put tuna. Put tuna, man. That is the hottest we just get here. You think that enough?
We'll just put one in there. But yeah, man, we eat pepper like that, you know.
Yeah, do that.
Start on it. Now we close on skirt.
Wait, What?
All right. Come spy on the pot now with the phone. Yes. What time now? We go pick up the phone and spy on the pot.
watch out.
Finally, JD. I don't want to hear it.
Yes. We have the meat. We have two kind of meat. We have some minced meat. We have some chicken wings. We have dumpling. We have sweet potato. We have corn. And this is enough food for the entire family. Some onions. We put some pepper in it. We don't have the scallion. We put some thyme in it. One thing I like about this country with thyme, them shell out the thyme for you. And I'll put a little bit more black pepper in it. And then we're gone clear. So Tylo, Tutu, can you make this now?
Yeah,
It's pretty simple, right?
most definitely.
It's like a seasoning with meat and food. And pumpkin and carrot juice, and that's it. Alright?
Alright.
Give thanks.
Ooh.
We can knock off the thing now. We're gonna eat this outside
Hello. I will leave it.
in the sun with the chairs, hang out in the yard and do the thing. So we're gonna close up the pot and make that bubble and give some trouble.
Alright.
Alright? But near to the end of it, we're gonna take out this fruit that's really soft
Alright.
to give it more of a base.
Why are you laughing?
Alright? Good. We're bubbling and we're troubling some coconut milk. You have your can open up.
Yeah.
inside?
That's what you did want, right? Your dream is coming true, my lord.
See.
Where the coconut? Where the opener there?
The coconut thing in the cupboard there. The opener. You saw the coconut?
They're open.
Hello.
Is here.
Susan. Wicked. Give him some.
Kim biscuit. We mentioned to have a few.
No, I.
So can you help? Can you help?
Can you come and help Ron to open the can opener? Can you help Ron to operate the can opener? Boo.
Which one? No, this one. This one is black. Let me try to see if it's all right.
Hey.
So I'm going to turn the fire down some more, please. Number 5.
You need to turn on the fire?
And I'm turning down the fire. Alright, I'll put it on the big one. It's a bubbling trouble, you know. But tell you, it's a stove, a really dangerous stove in the fire. Well, the stove is wicked. They said to me, stove. A bad stove they still have here. You know. Yes, everybody see there. The pot are going good. Jamaican, so me I represent feet in Africa. Eh? Big pot of soup for the African them. So when it finished, we're gonna come back and you'll get to eat it outside in the African thing. Yeah? Later. It's relaxing. Watermelons is this little Jamaica, real African. Calm. Business Africa. This is Wakanda.
Yes, that's the word.
The same people will be the ones saying people again brushing.
Tylo doesn't like us to expose the truth, you know. Tylo's not a truth person.
Oh yeah.
Tutu likes to hide things under the rug, you know.
Oh yeah. No, but
No,
this is raw and uncut.
It's peaceful. It's okay. Let's leave it as is.
Look here, Ronnie.
Is Tutu one of the sellouts?
Yeah, she is. Yeah,
Oh,
traitor.
she's.
A
No
traitor.
way.
It seems like her sister is a revolutionary in the pot.
Let me give you a
I'm a
little
quiet one.
insight.
I'm a quiet
Tutu is
one.
very
I'm
quiet.
always like that.
Let me give you a little insight, right?
Is Mama one of the revolutionaries?
Yeah, a big
Let me
one.
tell you the 4 of them. Tutu and the first one. There are 4. Tutu, the third
There
one
are
and the
5.
first, the 4, 5 is this one. It's the father, the father. The first one and the second Tutu and it is the third one and the first one Kumo. That be the one.
The queen bee. Queen bee.
They're very quiet.
Is it because Mama controls everything?
No, not necessarily. Though I control them,
In a
but
sense.
now-
In a sense.
Hey,
She just admit that.
Yeah, it's true.
Remember, we're going to do a film about you letting go control at a certain. It's time for letting go.
True, I control them, but one thing is that
You admit to that.
Yeah, I
Should I pour you a glass?
Yeah, I did that. I did that.
I wish
But
you guys would
let me
record this all the time. People would love this.
Well, let me tell you. True, I admit that. I control them. But in a certain
Pour me a
level,
beer, man.
In a certain level.
Pour men
Not that
some
I'm
Pour a
facing
man
them,
some
no.
bells.
I'm just telling
And one
them
thing I know about
facts.
Botswana,
I'm
they
just
speak over
telling
each
them
other.
facts. Girls, you should behave like this and they do this and that.
True that, true that.
The most important thing, he knows the brother.
Yeah, true that.
But one thing I like about them, I'm always talking to them about it. It's communication. I like communication. When somebody's going out, Mom, I'm going out, I'll be back in 2 hours.
Stick a
Should
pin
be
there.
like that.
When I first met
When
my
it's time, yeah.
when
you
I
can tell
first
me.
met my
tell me.
wife,
When it's
I
going
was
out,
actually bored
yeah.
because every 10 minutes the mom was calling.
Yes,
How far?
please.
Where are you?
far?
How
Where
far?
are you?
Where are you?
Because he
How
was not
far?
taking
Where are you?
to
Because I
say
was
I'll be
she was
there.
sneaking
So
out.
let me
Hey.
ask you, Mom, was there trauma in your life why you also overprotective of them? But I know it's a peaceful country. Is it because they could be promiscuous in the dance hall?
It's a trauma
Yeah.
to me. It was a trauma to me because ladies are not like guys. Guys can on whether it's on the way
Protect
or
themselves.
if they can protect themselves. Whether he's with the boyfriend or on the street, wayside, any wayside, can protect them. But a lady cannot protect herself. Whether they've got conflict in the house or whatever, anyway.
So-
But
so
the most
women get
important-
abused
so
here?
that is why no.
Not actually.
Someone
It
said that
was
our-
just, I think, the mother's
Those
love,
are
that
some-
protection.
but it was just a protection of the mother's love.
Even though she
Because
overdoes
I'm
it, but
always, I'm always protective.
but me
But
till
the
today.
thing-
Wait. People in America cannot listen to more than one person.
Because let me finish my story.
Yeah.
Because the fact is that I know that ladies are not like guys. Guys can rule, can do what, can fight, can do what. But I know that ladies are always innocent. Wrong or not wrong, are wise. So that is that one thing that was always cycling in my mind. So maybe that is why I was always calling them for my baby. If there's anything wrong, let's talk so that I can help you way out or we can do this and that.
Tylo, Tutu, you're hiding. Is that fact, or mommy's just like overly protective?
She is overly protective, and
This is a
that she should
Kardashian,
just
right?
take it
Okay,
easy.
fine. Let me stick a pin there. Let me
Let
me just jet in. Let me just jet in.
Eh,
Why I will say mom is overprotective. Number one, she has 4 daughters. Yeah.
No sons.
No, yeah, on one
no
son.
sons. I didn't
4
know
daughters and
like
1
no
son.
sons.
Yeah, an adopted
So
son.
the son
Yeah.
Let's
And if she had never ruled, let me say like control them, or what can I say, or
Monitor.
monitor them with an iron fist
Yes.
per se.
An extended iron.
With an extended iron fist, things could have been very chaotic.
Maybe.
Things could have been even worse by now. Okay.
You have to
This
say
one,
maybe.
this one, she could have been having maybe 2 kids,
Yeah.
fatherless kid.
It's true.
This one could have been having at least 3 fatherless one, and the cycle goes on. So actually, she did a very good job controlling them. Let me say, let me use that word.
Monitoring.
Control. Okay,
Trying
monitoring.
to soften
If
this
it
up a
makes you
bit.
happy, yeah.
Yes.
Monitoring with an iron fist.
Extended-
Okay, thank you,
extended.
sir. With an extended iron fist, and that also instills discipline
Yeah.
into them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Adding on that, adding on what San is saying, is because one thing is that most of the families here in Botswana, more especially a family when
With
it's
girls.
a single parent family, the children are going free, they're doing all sort of funny things because the mother is a single parent. So to be a single parent needs more of your mind. Because if I was out of my mind, my behavior is the most important thing for them to guide them. So I was trying by all means to show them a good behavior.
So love her or hate her, she did a good job.
Follow.
Then
Love or hate, she did a
give
good job.
Tutu the chance to
So,
talk.
After that, that's when the time when I saw the husband I'm with, that's when again communication is the most important thing. I call them together.
Would you satisfy just a couple of texts per day?
Pardon?
Would you be satisfied with some texting?
That's not enough. For her,
She has
that's
to hear
not
the
enough.
voice.
For her, that's not enough. I know my mother very well. That's not enough. Even me,
Hey,
I get my whipping also.
hey.
I'm not excluding.
6
Hey.
phone calls before 6 shut down.
Yeah.
Even
I
me.
make sure.
Let's have a woman talk. for a
Okay.
second.
Even him.
One of the monitors
Okay.
monitored.
So
Oh,
that,
one
is,
of them.
that was the most dangerous thing to me, because to be a single parent, most of the things there's air in between because of being single to the kids. So that is why I was more than protective because of that.
Was your mother monitoring also? Your mother? Oh, you're okay. You
My
didn't
mother
grow up
died
with your
when-
mother.
My mother died when I was still
Okay,
young.
so you don't
My father
understand.
died, so
Okay.
I didn't understand
Okay.
really how I thought that to me, to my growing up was something else, I can say.
Yeah.
So that is why I create.
So let me ask
my
you,
own.
when they speak to you about how they feel, are you okay with saying, you know, my golden monitoring arm is probably too strong around their neck. Let me let go of it.
You know them speaking to me.
Let me
This
say-
is the movie we're making, right?
Yeah, we don't.
But Tutu, can you speak now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Answering to what?
okay.
What you are saying.
I'll say this. You know what? I think somewhere, somehow,
Mhm.
okay, we grew up closely to mom. We've never been in a situation whereby someone else is, say, maybe some distance away or some different province or different village. We've always been with mom. We have seen all the struggles. We have seen all the growing ups. We've experienced a lot of things with her. So it was easy for us to adapt and learn and do not disappoint her. She could have just had that little trust on us that since we've seen it all happening in our eyes, we know better. Up to date, I would say no one from the four of us, I would say no one has ever been a disappointment. We've grown up and then we've learned a lot, and then we were just close to her until
got
the
married.
recent years. That's when we started going out or
Now they
going
think they're
away from
adults.
her, going away from her. But we still submit to her. We still follow that phone call that she makes. Whenever she makes that phone call, we just go.
You giddy up,
Whenever
boy.
you're chilling and then you just see a phone lighting, you like
You giddy
whoa,
up.
whoa.
It's not like we do that because we are scared of her, because of the respect we have towards
Yes.
her.
And
Yeah.
not cut.
Because
She,
at the end, the man who married her is our stepfather. So as well, we have to pass that respect so that one he can know also, okay, these kids, because if we disrespect our mother, the man will say, okay, these kids are disrespecting the mother, so which means this family is just disorganized. So whenever mom calls or him calling us, we know, okay, this is time to us to go home, or let me go home and talk to the parents, and then I'll go back to wherever I am. So it's all about respect. We respected her, we saw her, how she went through raising us, everything that she has done. We saw with our own two eyes, because we didn't grow apart from each other. It's only 2 years difference from all of us. So we grew all together,
Yeah.
same house, same room. We chatted every night. We come together, we chat, we sit, we eat one meal, then we part ways. Tomorrow for work, same place. Until when she got married, that's when it really heartbroken us, because we thought, oh, our mom is gone now. She's married now. She has a friend now. We are no longer there next to her, the bed, chatting and all. So that's when we said, now I think we should give her the space. But even though when that phone call comes, we know we have to run.
Can we monitor the amount of calls?
I wish that could happen. For myself, okay, I'll speak for myself. I don't know the others, but I'll speak for myself. Mommy will call me 6 o'clock in the morning. You sound like
I'm a witness
you
to
sound
that.
like you're sleeping. You sound like you're out of town. You sound like
Okay,
I'm
where are you?
Mom.
Tell me where you are.
Exactly.
Who are you
Can,
with?
can,
Are you
Exactly.
okay?
you
Did
just
you
trust
eat?
me just a little bit when I tell you I'm home sleeping? Can you have that thing and reduce the phone call? Mom, I'm in a meeting, please.
She will call.
Doesn't
Okay.
matter
use
to
the
her.
phone call.
Doesn't matter to her. 2 minutes
She will
after
just
she'll
call
call
and say,
again.
no, I was just checking on you.
Like 1,000 calls in a day.
So we don't mind, we are used to that.
Mom, do you hear that?
In a day.
And it has even rubbed down on me as well. She does the same to me as well, and I'm a grown man. Can you believe it?
Thank God.
Mom, do you have any board games or books that you're reading to occupy your time? What do you do with your time?
She wasn't my daughter.
I want to know that as well.
If it's time for me to think of them,
Even the time she was
I call them. If it's time for me
When
to
people see this family show, they're like,
Yeah.
If it's time for me to think of them, I became crazy. I call.
oh, I see.
I
Non-stop.
call non-stop.
Do you know?
You know, did he told me?
Can
that
we
he-
do a WhatsApp group
Yeah.
Maybe.
No problem. No problem.
The
Did you? Hey, Ron.
where you could have like everybody good, everybody good.
Yeah.
That isn't enough for her mom.
Hey,
That isn't enough
did my
for
son told him that they once stay in South Africa for a year? Did
We
he
stayed
told
there
you?
for a year. No, I never told him as yet.
You
Who
never
stayed there for a year?
Me and
They
But
stayed
you
out.
told him. You told him.
I told him.
Did you chat about that?
We chat, but I didn't get into details. man.
Into details, yeah.
Like
You know
I,
what?
for
They-
instance, I
you-
stayed in South Africa for
Even this
2
one
years.
stayed in South
I stayed in
Africa
South
for
Africa, but I was forced to come here like every weekend. Every
You stayed there
weekend.
for a year?
No,
Yeah.
Or,
4 years.
no, us we
8
stayed for a
years.
year.
3 years from
No,
three,
not,
from four,
not
from
3
five.
years, mama.
4 years.
8
4,
years.
5 years or something like that.
From
From
2004,
from
5,
two.
6,
It
7,
started from
8.
two. From 2, from 3, from 4,
Mother,
from
if
5.
them, oh.
So in
Mother
Africa,
beef,
in
yeah.
Africa, the mother has the authority.
Yes.
In South Africa, she was
In Africa, it's
Hey.
a
You
mother.
can say that.
Hey.
But in
But different
some
matters.
houses,
Some
Yeah.
they don't bother when a child is hungry or dead or whatever, or drinking in the bath or whatever.
in
Some
some
parents they
houses,
don't bother.
yes.
But myself,
but right now,
even this one, he knows my calls.
True that.
When do you get her calls? The monitoring calls.
Yeah. You mean when?
Yeah.
Normally, if I can spend like the whole day without checking her,
Hey,
my goose will be cooked. If I can spend 2 days, worse.
hey, I
Yeah.
call you, son.
The
What's
call
wrong
will
with
come
you?
immediately.
Are you okay?
The
You say
call
you're
comes
okay.
immediately.
So why can't you call me? Am I not part of you? I say, Mom, I'm sorry. I was doing this and that. No, this and that is smaller than me. Please, know that.
The dictator.
but
There goes the
amongst
dictator.
amongst everyone else, I get the worst.
The blunt of the sword.
Like
They call it the blunt of the sword.
He's telling the truth.
The blunt of the sword.
sometimes I feel
Is
like
is it because she goes to the dance hall a lot?
Hey, because he's
That's
all.
all she does.
No, she doesn't.
No, not
That's
that's
all.
all.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't
I don't
go.
go out.
She doesn't
No,
go.
he's visiting far, long distance. He likes to visit friends, but taking long distance. That's one thing that kills me. I cried on the phone. Where are you?
She doesn't
How
want.
far are you? Make sure-
When exactly are you
When
coming? Exactly.
exactly are you home? Do you trust those people? Because they can love you.
And let her not
Loving
pick the
you,
phone, her
and
goose is
knowing
burned.
that the-
Yes,
If
because
she doesn't pick
sometimes
the
I get
phone, her
so
goose is-
irritated.
oh.
Sometimes I get
Yeah.
so irritated. Like, okay, I just received one.
I told him
phone
that
call,
my
and the other
I
one
told
is
him
missing.
my daughter,
Hmm?
friends kill one another. Do you trust that the same friend that you are visiting is the same friend that can put you underground, my daughter? How can you say you are visiting?
That's
why
why-
can't your friend visit you? You are always visiting. Why can't your friend visit you? That is one thing I'm worried about. Why can't they visit you?
It's a
That
matter
is
of
my-
trust.
And again, one
That
thing,
is
most
one thing
of
that
the
kills
South
me.
Africans,
I
they
said,
don't like doing their
no.
passports.
That's
Why
the
can't
thing.
you
I'm not.
visit
I
our
explained.
Passports.
I explained.
Because
So she
you
has
not
to
the
travel.
one
Huh?
who's supposed
Yeah.
to.
I'm
I
saying you have to
explained this
travel.
to mom. Okay,
Most of the
I grew up in South Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, I grew up in South Africa. My friends are in South Africa. Those that I feel connection with, they're in South Africa. I've been there. I know the lifestyle. I know everything in South Africa.
But still, you cannot
But
trust. According
yeah,
to mom.
nah, yeah. But
Still
most
not
of the
all
South
now.
Africans, they don't have passports. They don't have passports. They don't have IDs. Even if it's a 30-year-old, you find out that he doesn't have an ID. They don't have driver's licenses, so they cannot cross
They
the
don't
map
even
to
know how
vote.
to drive.
There's this one girl I've always been like, we went to school together from a very young age. I've always encouraged her, get a passport. She told me next month. Up to date, it's 10 years now she's been my friend.
Why don't you get some other friends that can move around?
Like here, it's very difficult to
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's very difficult to
make a
actually
friend,
grow
yeah.
friends when you are old. It's very difficult.
Here.
Yeah, like when you are old like this, you meet someone.
How old are you?
I'm 30, turning 31 in September.
Like me, I don't even have one friend.
You don't have one friend?
No,
Because
my
he has a
husband.
husband.
No.
Because he has a husband now.
Besides that, I never had friends. I don't.
So let me ask you this. In a week,
Yeah.
where do you go?
Thank you.
In a week, like, where do I go alone?
Go, yes. Like a community center where other mothers are with kids at the park to meet other people. Where do you
When
go?
I go out with her.
When?
No, I mean like somewhere, like during the day we can
Okay,
go
let me-
somewhere,
yeah,
just a
let's-
small
Yeah,
somewhere.
waiting was
Hey,
Let me just expand
not
on that
actually
a
to a
bit.
club or to a party
No, we
or
don't
what.
do clubbing. We don't
Botswana
do clubbing,
doesn't
we
have a
don't
lot of recreational activities, okay?
Yeah.
So there are not a lot of places where like
You
a
can
mother
say,
can
let's
go
take the
or a
kids.
family can go, okay?
Yeah.
It's still a growing
There are
city.
only,
Yeah.
Alright.
in the four of them, there are only two kids. The first one and the second one. Those ones are different to these two ones. You see these two ones, the difference is that this one is married and this one it's
Yeah, she was my best
They were
friend when
twin.
before she
They
got
grew up
married.
in twin.
And then after she got
That's
married,
it.
I lost her.
Now
Now they're friends with the husband. My friend is Asa. Yeah, my friend is Asa. We hang
But
around
you
a
see
lot,
these two
we go
ones,
out a lot.
those are the ones
Yeah.
where they got friends, they go around like today, you can't see them.
I
you
guess
see
it
them
becomes
Monday
so
or Tuesday.
difficult to have a friend who is not married and then you are married.
Yeah.
Because almost all the time she wants you to be with her, going to the mall, going to this, talking about boyfriends, talking about this. So I don't like that and I don't have time for that. Yeah.
In our culture,
Cultured woman boy.
but it's our culture, but it's not in all the families. In our culture, when a child is married like this one, firstly, it's not good for us to interrupt every now and then. Come here, come. Even this one, sometimes he call you, Mom. Why can't you visit us? I said, no, don't worry, my baby. I'll visit you. Don't worry. Secondly, we need to engage. If you want to come here, I have to call them first. Can I come to your place? And I say, "We are not
Culture,
in
okay,
our
culture.
and that is how the culture is. That is why now they are no longer as close as the way.
Even to get in our bedroom is not allowed.
I never enter there. I don't know that.
It's culture.
It's culture.
That is all. Whereby home is not no big deal,
Eh.
but here it's a culture. It's like that.
Here, I never enter their bedroom. I don't.
But the
if
kids
there's
can
anything-
enter their bedrooms.
If there's
Mama
anything-
cannot go through
To
and
our
just
room.
walk in my bed like house like
No.
there's no big deal. She
No.
can't do that.
I can do it.
If she wants water, I have to give her water.
But
Sit
us
at
when
the-
we are at her place, no
But-
problem.
But if they are home, if they enter.
I can get in their bedroom, I
if
can
they are
sleep
asleep,
in, no problem.
He can sleep if he wants to
Yeah,
sleep.
so it's like that.
But us, we are not.
Parents.
Even the magistrate, when they joining them together, that's what the magistrate is saying. He's telling us
Parents,
that
stay
parents
away.
stay away from kids' marriage, because you are the one those are causing divorce in your kids. Parents
Because
away
some
from
parents
kids'
are fine.
marriage.
They can come
Because
and
most
stay
of
here.
the parents are
And start to
interfering.
take, when's your husband coming late?
Interfering.
When's your
But that is how it is. That is how it is.
That sounds good. Tutu, any addition to that? What would, in a perfect world, how would you like your life?
In short, I would just want my mom to just trust me.
No, he's asking how. would you like
Listen,
her life.
can you give me a chance?
Give him,
okay?
Okay, madam.
To talk.
Okay, madam Tylo.
Yes, say.
Madam,
Like I was saying, she should just give me that little credit to just trust me, because I feel like I'm grown enough to know what is going on around me. Understand? Good and wrong, I already know that. So if you can
You are
just
never too grown
give
for a
me
mother.
that chance.
This is agreeing.
Mama, do you hear that?
He's taking
But
it-
is he sneaked in?
So let's get a WhatsApp group.
no, it's not a problem. What Tutu is saying, when it's true, you need to have help.
So wait, Mama.
But let me tell you
Maybe you
one
need to have a little bit more faith
thing.
Yeah.
in your children.
Yes.
But
What we are saying
Trust and faith and respect.
what we are saying is true. But one thing more is that if somebody
Do you believe in God?
more than anything,
Do you believe that God will take care of them?
more than anything. But one thing is that, well, it's true. I have to believe in God. I have to trust that God can do things for me. But at the same time, I cannot neglect some of the things that I have to say it. I cannot keep not that
course,
keep
of
them
course.
inside me.
Of course.
The truth of the matter is that he can go out with friends, but he will enjoy it to an extent that something will put it in.
So let me ask you this, just straight questions, nobody else, please, thanks.
Yeah.
Straight questions to you, ABC questions. One daughter is out having fun, great time with friends. Ring, 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 where are you? I'm good, I'm having fun, I'll be back at 6 p.m. Should there be another follow-up call, another call? Because they're having fun. So if you call the next hour, yeah, I'm still having fun with my friends. And if you call the next hour, I'm kind of still having friends with I'm okay. So after the first or two initial calls, should the other contact be text?
You finished. This is all your turn.
Could you work with that? We understand
Well,
the care, but could you, Tutu, would that be a little better for you?
Yeah.
what you're saying is true, but the truth of the matter is that are we together, Kyo?
Correct, mommy. I'm listening.
What we are saying is true, but the truth of the matter is that there's so many kids that are underground because of friends. There's so many kids that are underground because of
When you say
fun,
underground, you mean what?
because of funds, eating, taking.
Underground, you mean what, mommy?
Dead.
Okay, all right.
Because of funds, because of friends.
Have you ever had her meet your friends?
Here, I don't have any friend.
I mean in SA.
I
Thirdly,
have only two.
Do they talk to your mom?
Yes.
Your mom knows them very well?
Yes.
One-
And the other one last year December, I had I visited one of them at her home village. I took Asa with me. I told her that we were going out on a trip, and then we just went for Christmas, and then we came back. It was no problem. I was communicating with her every day.
yeah.
And then unfortunately they could not speak with the mother that side because she doesn't understand Tswana, she doesn't know English. She only speaks Swati.
So you mean for African families, even after the person is past 18, there's still a family link where your actions are you're not as independent in Africa away from your family.
It's definitely.
So it could be good and bad.
Definitely.
It is good and bad. The good thing is that
You know, some of the things I was still telling you. I think I told you, but firstly, the problem is that
because I've been in Africa for the past 2 weeks or 3. My
Eh.
mother said, "You good?" "I'm good, Mom." Or 2 weeks, 3 weeks. My brother didn't even call me.
You don't even care.
It's not that I don't care.
Eh.
You're 44 years old, bro.
Grown old man.
You're
No,
44
not
years
everything.
old.
The way I feel.
And my mom
Even
would
if
text
you
me,
can-
"Are you okay? I haven't heard from you." "Okay, Mom,
That's
I'm
it.
good."
And that's it.
Even if he can reach 50.
50?
Yes,
Can you
still
hear that?
alive.
Did you hear that?
Did you hear that?
Even if he can reach 50, as long as I'm
That's
still
half a
alive.
century.
You know what? One thing I like,
But
sorry,
go for the rest.
one thing I can be a little bit far from her. If she is married, no, that one I can be a bit away from.
So
her.
the other
But
one,
if he is single, I'm not comfortable.
oh, you protected her.
I'm not comfortable.
So Tylo, you have to get married to get that.
How will I get married if I'm monitored every 24/7?
No.
It's impossible.
It is
To
possible.
get your babe.
Yes, how will I get my babe if I'm undercover like 24/7, no
When
chance
you are still
to
chatting
go out.
about your babe,
When we
Mama-
are still chatting,
Baby,
Mama
I'm
is calling.
school.
6 o'clock in the morning, Mama is calling. Before 10 a.m., before I sleep, Mama is calling. If I step out,
Before you
go
even
to town,
make breakfast for somebody.
immediately when I come from work, she's calling. She says, "Come home like now." No time, no
As in
30
now.
minutes to go out. Yeah, I'm honest though.
Sometimes
No,
I'm with her, she'll be crying.
Sometimes I even ask for a favor. Now is the honest truth. Sometimes I ask favors from Kwame. Say, Kwame, can you please cover me up because I need to step out. I need to go to town. So can you please cover me up? You see, these are the things that I come across. And I cannot get married like that. Nobody would want to get married to somebody who said 2 minutes and says, okay, mommy is calling. You are 31 and your mom is still calling you like a 12-year-old. Who does that? Nobody does that. Okay, this is what is happening right now. I'm at home. Phone call is coming in. Come home. It's a Sunday. I shouldn't be at work. I should be relaxing. 6 o'clock. What time are you coming home? Can I please get a little nap?
Space.
I'm tired. No, you will get to rest when you get the side. Okay, fine, no problem. Mommy, I need time to relax. Okay, take Balo with you, no problem. Okay, it's my son, no problem. But there is no how one can get married if he doesn't go out and meet people. I don't go out partying. I don't do clubbing. I don't spend nights drinking. No, I don't do those things. Just 24 hours, 24/7, I am home looking at mommy and daddy's eyes. While others are out exploring.
The world. Mommy, what do you do with your time?
Mommy and daddy must go.
No.
What do you do with your time? What is your life?
Oh, well.
Do you do stuff with your church? What do you do with your time? You get up in the morning at 9. Maybe mommy has too much time on her hands.
No, my time. Regardless
So
whether-
let's speak straight answers, mommy.
Yeah,
The world is watching you.
We are straight to answer.
Straight answer.
I
What
can
do you
clean
do?
the-
9 in the
listen,
morning.
listen,
What does your
let
week
me
look
tell
like?
you.
Come, talk
I
to us.
can clean the house, I can do whatever, I can cook for daddy, I can go around and see what I can do.
Let
But
me
the
get
fact
myself
remains is
a
that
box.
if it comes to a point,
Pour a
it's
woman some
time to
pills, will ya?
know where she is. That time.
Okay.
is
So we're talking about your life. Let's talk about your life.
my life.
She has a life, and you have a life. What does your life consist of? Because let's think for a second. When humans are born out of humans, they are independent to a point in the universe. The universe and God takes care of them. Mom can only do so much because the birds drop from the tree and mom let them fly, and they fly in different directions. That's a part of nature. They learn.
Like a wolf.
They
A wolf when the wolves are
You
still
teach-
young, he
so-
goes
so-
around the tree,
yeah.
go around the tree, then he enter inside the tree, then they
They
split.
go, now,
Yeah.
Mom, it seems like you're not obeying nature here to a point.
Okay.
So I'm asking you,
Yes, sister, let me
You're-
say,
you're the eagle.
Let me say the
What
same
do you
thing.
do with
Let me
your
say-
life?
Let me say the last
Thank you.
word. Okay. I've got a lot to do of my own or of my house to do me and daddy that I did. But the problem is that sometimes, not only, sometimes they never tell the truth to your sister. They never tell the Sometimes you can
There
say
you go.
she's at Nobody.
There you go.
Do you know why?
Sometimes
That's true.
No, let me talk.
That's the
Let me
truth
talk. It's my
also.
time. It's my time to talk.
Let Mama talk.
It's my time
Let
to
Mama
talk.
talk.
It's my time to talk.
Let's Mama talk.
One of the things that makes me to be confused, they will never tell the truth. Secondly,
I agree.
I'm-
I strongly agree.
Wait, Tylo, Tutu,
You
please.
get your chance.
Secondly, yeah, he's telling the truth. I never give them chance because they're supposed to sit and talk. I'm not saying you must call your boyfriend home or you must do what, but you sit next to your mother and say, Mother, I've got a boy in Muchudi or I've got a boy in Lobat or somewhere else. We are dating, but I'm still saying we are still focusing on looking whether you can be the right person or not. So I'm still, and I even said to them, Holly, even if you cannot tell me the truth, at least tell your family, your brother and your sisters, so that they can be the witness if there is something wrong in your life.
Yes, makes sense.
So that if we don't know where you are,
Makes sense.
your brother can call that
family member.
fiance and say, where is Tuelo?
Yes,
Or your sister can say, where is
It
Tuelo?
all makes sense now.
Because he gave you the number. I'm only saying, where you are going, give one of your family the number.
Mama, say no more. Say no more. Say no more, Mama. Say no more.
Give your family the number so that when I'm confused about
say no more. Say no more.
emergency,
Say no
your
more.
brother or any of your family can. I'm only
We
saying,
understand. Say no more.
not me,
Save the energy.
but your family.
Save the energy. Tutu.
Yes.
Save the energy, Mama.
We are coming back to you.
Save the energy.
We are
Mama.
coming back to you.
Now, reply to that.
Okay. With that, when she says directions or locations,
And you are
different
never
locations,
honest.
I strongly agree.
What about the honesty?
Let's
part?
focus on honesty. Forget direction.
Forget about
Yes.
focus on the honesty.
Forget
part.
about honesty, because honesty
Yes.
is
No,
everything.
I'm
Let's talk about
replying
that.
fully. I'm replying fully. I strongly agree to what she says. And one thing is because, okay, you will tell mom the honest truth, I'm going to South Africa. She will snap out and tell you never. I go to my sister, one of my sisters. I tell them the truth. This is where I'm going. And then you tell mom, this is where I'm going. My sister knows where I'm going. The minute you step out, she will be investigating each one of them. Each one of them. Where
like that.
exactly is Tutu? They freak out. They tell the truth. Some things mom shouldn't know.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah.
some things mom shouldn't know.
Yeah.
Like I can't be telling mommy that. I can't be telling mommy that I'm going to visit a guy, say maybe in Lobatse or maybe in South Africa. I can't be telling mom that. But one of my sisters should know the truth. And mommy will be investigating each one of them. They step out,
Until-
they tell the truth. She takes that phone call. Immediately you are coming back. Immediately you are coming back.
So no sense of
And then she has transferred that to our father. The father takes the phone, they review both of them, they exchange the phone.
And then at that time, you.
And it's not even fun. You are with people, you will tell them, hey guys, I'm with people. They don't care, they will shout even worse. Yeah, I'm serious. They will shout even worse, like, oh, come back, like, no. And then you call one of the sisters out.
All right, so let's flip the script. Do you guys monitor them?
No,
Maybe you should try that.
we don't.
Mama, what if you get 7 calls a day? Because you have the freedom now to go out and have a good time with your
Thank you
husband.
very
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
And we always
So
tell
you're
her
living
that.
your life.
We always tell her
And you have a
that.
freedom to live your life.
Yeah, it's true.
So if they call you, Mama, where you? No, you can't go there.
I go.
You cannot go there.
No.
You gotta come back home now. No.
That
That's
place
too.
in
That's not safe.
Yeah. No, what
We
did I
don't
say?
call them. Sometimes they party.
Ooh,
Sometimes
they party.
Yeah, they party. They go to weddings.
Party. We
They
never
go to
party.
weddings. They
adults,
stay out
adults,
late
adults
night.
party, adults
They
party.
go for fun parties.
Adults
with the
party.
friends. They go late
Wait a
nights
minute.
with
We
the
never
husband.
party.
We never
Adults party.
We never
Adults
call them.
party.
Hey.
Not to the club.
Yes.
Adults party.
How to house.
Mama is having a good time and making sure nobody has a good time. You're not having no good time. I'm having all the good time on the planet. Nobody's having a good time here. What?
Yeah.
What are you doing? So Mama will be at the party telling you you can't go to the party.
You know
No,
what?
but
But one thing.
All right, we're gonna have Q
One
speak.
last
We're
thing.
gonna have Q speak now. One sec.
Speak
Q.
about
And be honest, Q.
Be honest.
so
Q.
the party will be just maybe an adult party, and it will just be maybe once every 4 months. No, Mama doesn't.
They always go to Amutubu.
Not for my
Hamudubu is not a
Right.
party. Hamudubu is just a bush area.
Going
It's
there.
just a bush area.
Check the families and come back.
So basically, mom is actually, can I say, overprotective, but is working. It's working for the best. Yeah. It's working for the best. Because if not, let's say, for example, let me say in my case, if, let's say, I had met my wife, by then she was still a girlfriend, and if she had like 3, 4, or even 1 kid, I could have not been here today. She could have not been here today. You see? But because of Mama's iron, you said what? Extended iron fist.
Monitoring extended high.
All right, thank you, sir. Yeah, there is where it is. Yeah. So
My
no
days.
kid, no kid until marriage. This one only had a kid when she was married. The other two, they are not married, no kids. So she actually.
Oh, I see. You
You
so
get what I'm
everything
saying?
works.
Yeah. So it's bad and it has a lot of good as well.
Good, Ma. Good job.
Yeah.
But one last thing to me is that my main worry is South Africa. I don't have any problem. If you was
I see.
at least local,
I see.
that is.
But there will still be some phone
But
calls
there
locally.
is one.
Thank you.
There will still be some phone calls, but they will be wise. They will be wise. You know, the truth of the matter is that no, it's not hair alone. Even
All
the
of them.
sisters, I'm calling them.
All
But
of them.
hairs,
And myself.
I'm calling crazy because you'll be taking a long journey by South Africa. To be honest, he's telling the truth. I'm calling crazily because South Africans
It's
are
not
not
safe.
at edge all. It's not safe. They're taking the cars, they're kidnapping, they're doing all sorts of bad things. Friend or no friend, you can be killed at any consecutive time. That is one thing I'm always telling him, hey, he can tell you that. I'm always trying to hash the Tutu. It's better for you, my daughter, to die here in your country rather than to go and die at a fireplace.
Makes
That
sense.
I will suffer to see your body. That's what I'm saying. That is my last word at all times when I call her. It's better
Amen.
here home
What amen.
rather than
We are
to
married,
die
we are
at
happy,
a
right?
far distance
And right.
What
because
amen. Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
want to suffer for your body.
I understand.
That is my last way. I don't have any problem. I'm just calling. The reason why I'm calling her more than others is because of crossing the border. If it was somebody else, no, like this other crazy one, the two big ones. I'm calling them, but I'm not calling them like the way I'm calling. He's telling the truth, like the way I'm calling him. But because of the border, I became very crazy.
So you
because
understand
I'm always
The
saying.
whole issue behind the
It's
phone.
bad tax.
It's
Why
what-
can't they visit
I
you
don't go to South
here?
Africa regularly.
Why can't they
Once in a month.
visit?
Once in a
Why
month.
do you visit always? Why are you always be the visitor? When are they going to visit you? I'm
I
always saying that
explained.
because I was saying you are staying at your own house. You are alone at your house.
So
Why
let
can't
help
you
them
visit?
get these. Every friend must grow up.
Hey,
And if friends are not
That's
growing
what
up,
I'm saying.
you let them go. Humans must grow up. If they're not a productive part of society, they shouldn't be a part of your life.
hey,
If you want to fly like an eagle, you do not fly with crows. If you're flying with crows, at this age, everyone should have their license, their driving. Those are your, sometimes you outgrow friends. Because, like she says, they don't come to you. Why are you always going to them? Oh, they don't have license. Tell them, I can't come to you. You get a license, come to me. Because that's what growth is about. You have to grow with people. So she has a valid point. You understand? If you're always going across the border, it drives her crazy. They never come here. So tell them now, hey guys, get your game up. Make sense?
Yeah, that's very true.
Make sense, Tutu? So that helps. Was I a part of the healing process?
yes.
Great.
That is one thing
So
that
this
I'm
name of the
saying.
show
Yeah,
is
it's true.
growing up with
Hey,
the.
it's true what he's saying.
What's
But
your
I'm
last
always-
name?
I'm
What's your
always
last name?
the one who is
What's it-
always calling here. It's
Right.
very good.
So here's what we can
I'm
do.
always who's always
I'm gonna
telling
play
me.
Dr. Phil
He's
for a
telling the truth. I'm always
Okay, Mom. Okay, I'm gonna play Dr. Phil for a second. So now we understand, Tutu. You gotta tell your SA friends, get your license, get your act together, come visit me sometimes.
Passport.
Let's judge that fair. Okay, Mom. Okay, give me a second, Mom. Give me 1 second. It's a big show. It's a million of people hearing this. And then, Mom, you could make 3 calls and then text 4. Can you agree to that?
She said no.
I'm dead alive.
Mom, she's gonna have the people in SA come here, hopefully, and you're gonna do 3 phone calls at intervals of lengthy in the day, apart, and then you're gonna do 5 texts in between.
Hey.
We have to shake on that. Can we shake on that? Because once we shake, SA, can you shake on that?
How many phone calls again? Wait.
2.
How many? 2 phone calls in a day.
3,
Ah,
Maximum.
3 phone calls in a day. That's not it. That's good.
Time.
3. You're talking about
Anytime.
6 in the morning,
6.
Then one, all right,
You know,
whatever,
that is
7.
2 in the morning.
You have your morning call, whatever time you
8.
set up. Let's not forget that. Let's not deal with the logistics now. What we're saying, you have 3 check-in calls. Now, they're business calls. There's stuff that you're going to do together that you need to bring over the stove, do that. That's fine. But you got 3 check-in calls, and you got 4 check-in texts.
Oops.
3 plus 4. Oh,
You agree to that? Because once you shake on that,
Anytime after 9,
She can call.
she can call.
so you set up the time.
9 during the day.
No.
You
like
can you
8
set up the time?
Anytime after 9, it's cool.
What?
Yes.
No,
That will be
go,
too late
She
for
has
you.
3 calls.
Uh-huh.
You set the time periods
All right.
for those 3 calls.
9.
Anytime after
9 in the
No, no,
night.
no, 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 no,
Okay.
no, no, no.
In
Listen,
the night.
listen, listen.
9. 9.
She has to have a call at 10 a.m. What time do you get to work?
She gets to work at 8.
8:30.
So she has an 8 o'clock call.
Yes.
Okay? Then she has a 4 o'clock call.
Thank you.
Then she has a
5.
9:30 call.
Now
That's too late.
You said anything after 9?
For her.
No,
That's-
9 in the
no,
morning.
All right.
AM. AM.
Okay,
not
good.
PM.
So
That's too late. 7 should be the last phone call.
8 p.m. is the last call. What time do you go to bed, Mom?
This one never sleeps. This one never
All right,
sleeps.
all right. So, Mom, I'm trying to help you guys.
I
this
am
out.
with you.
I'm helping you guys. You call 8 a.m., you call 4 p.m., and you call 8 p.m. And then anytime you want to text between that, anytime you want to text between that. The cool thing about the texting, it's anytime. You could even have 7 texts. Yes, like, hey, everything good? Everything good.
Just a text.
But you only have 3 calls. 8, 4, 8. 848. Write that number on the wall. 8,
That time is just
4
too long.
p.m.
But just try it. Maybe it will be all for the best.
But you could text between 8 and 4.
Yeah, a lot of texts.
You could do it.
No, calls. Text.
You could
They
text.
will respond.
Hey, are you okay? I am super. You
Correct.
see what I mean? Let me show you how my life works. My mom called once a day. If
Every day,
it got to a point
as in every day.
where I got to a point where I said to her, please text me. Because I cannot get up at 8 and hear your voice first in my head.
Thank you.
I'm an individual.
What?
I don't live with you, right? I have my life. I'm older. Your energy, oh, hey, Marty, what you doing? You don't need to know what I'm doing. I'm living my life.
Tutu!
And the reason why I say that to her is
You will
because
get a beating.
it's because spiritually, when you are growing into your own life and someone is having a spiritual bad day and they're not balanced, they call you and throw you off. You could be balanced, zen, and happy, and then the phone rings. Ring, ring. So you need to go to this. It's like, whoa, easy, easy, easy. My space is amazing. Your space is not. Deal with, and whether it's family or not, people could be a little bit, people need independence to breathe spiritually. And when they don't have that, because you see your energy with you're happy with your husband, and she's alone. So what she's going through is more than what you're happy. So that happiness, you're there living your life, and she's struggling alone. So then when you always call, it's like, can I get a... So then it's, can I get a chance to live my life?
Yeah.
You know, you're older. You've done it. You've lived it. You've seen it. I'm a mother. I'm a dad. So I had to say to my mom, because I'm the younger one. So we live close together. My brother lives in West Palm Beach. They talk a lot. But so I had to say, Mom, you can't call me every day, especially in the morning on Saturday. I'm sleeping. Do never wake me, because I'm tired. I work. You are disrespectful in waking me, because now that phone is ringing and you're waking me. So now you're causing me to be stressed out, because I'm respecting you, because I'm picking up the phone in case something happens to you. I need to know if you need help. But if it's nothing's happened to you and you're okay, don't just call me. Text me, because I'm sleeping. And then she understood, you know? And she would text. And I was like, I'm cool, I'm good, you know? That way I get a chance to rest.
Yeah.
So then if she's sleeping for 2 hours after a long day, what the hell is it? Oh, yeah, I'm okay. I'm still okay. She's not even resting. Because there's an operator on the call.
Yeah.
So you see, your call, she's worried. Do you see whenever mom calls, everybody picks up.
Yeah.
Hello.
Everybody picks up. You know why? Because mom could be in trouble. So you have a power, and you have a luxury that you cannot abuse. Because every time if my mom call now, I'm picking up. Are you okay? Is everything okay? You know. So every day I'm calling her. Are you okay? Is everything okay? I'm texting. Are you okay? You know. So you have to understand you have a luxury. She's gonna pick up. Your son is gonna pick up. Everybody's gonna pick up when you call, because you have that luxury, but you can't abuse it. It's better now you use texting, WhatsApp in the group. So what we do in the family, we have a Jamaican group called Roots Group for the entire family. I could text everybody now, I'm okay. Everybody over the world gets it.
Who is on the group?
Everybody in the family is on the group. From Jamaica to West Palm to New York. I'm traveling to South Africa, safe. You just put safe. I'm moving to Johannesburg, safe. I'm over here, safe. This is the email of my friend. So I sent email of my friends. I'm staying with such and such. I'm at this Airbnb address. This is their number. So one text, this is a new world. One email saves a whole bunch of... So you create a WhatsApp group in the family. Wakey, 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 wakey. And everybody's on the same page. So everybody can still live, still be in touch. You know, so we understand what you're saying. And we understand your passion. You know, and I guess I'm here because I'm a part of the family in a way. You know, and I spoke to Tylo and I heard some of our concerns. And I said, you know, I'm a good mediator. You know, I'm an outsider. So I can look at this with a fresh eyes. You know, it's a beautiful family. You have a beautiful daughter, but now she got to get married. So she got to go shake her thing outside to get married. That's what birds do. They shake. And other birds come, right? Are you agreeing to everything here?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Can you summarize this so we can close this off?
Okay, what actually has to be done is, Mama, this communication that you're doing, yeah, we get what you're saying, but you need to reduce it. One call is okay. You don't have to call it every minute. Even though you say it's for security, but the more you call it, the more you make us to ignore the calls and everything. So one call, Tutu, your essay, tell your friends to come over in A. Then make life easy for yourself. And then South Africa, you have to go it, like he said, give us all the information that we need to know so that mom doesn't bother you or she doesn't get worried. Matesi, when Tylo goes to South Africa, trust that everything is okay. You don't just put into this thing of saying, no, South Africa is bad, something will happen to her and all that and all that. Everything will be cool, she'll go and come back safe. Don't interrogate me and ask me where Tylo went, because you don't need to know all the details. If I tell you that, no, I know where Tylo is and she's cool, that's it. You don't need to know anything else.
No,
Let her say the last
Dr.
word.
Phil already finished the
protecting
thing.
me.
Like, no, Dr.
Let me
Phil.
say the last
Hey.
word. My last word is that
Everybody's gonna have the
She's
last
going
I
to
know
go back to
my
work.
last word is that I love my family to start with. I love them all, secondly. But one thing is that let your visit be the visit that can be fruitful.
Benefit.
Don't just visit the visit that will in from you, not to benefit from your visit. Because at the end of the day,
Nonsense.
you will suffer or I will suffer. Because your suffer is my suffer. So take a journey that will benefit. Not just take a journey that will benefit from you. That's the last thing. But
Well
I agree with what the message is saying, what I should reduce. What I will try to reduce, I will fight with my spirit so that my spirit can go down. But the problem is that I'm too much jealous on them. But there is nothing I can do because today we are in a big class that is cancelling our lost minds. It's bringing our minds inside the table. So it's something that is new to me. It's something that